Okay. Let's start the live stream. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the live stream of zbit.com. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. And all those people who are joining in from across YouTube, Twitter, and everybody, welcome everybody on this live stream of zbit.com. My name is Yash, and I am a live stream host over here. I'll be taking care of you on my live stream. Whatever you need, whatever you want to talk, whatever you want the help of in regarding in the terms of trading, I am here. I'm sitting here. I'm just one sitting here only and only for all of you people so that we can have a conversation and we can make sure that everything is going smooth. You are learning, you are like enhancing your skills of the trading, and I'm also providing you a very good trades which can make you a lot of good amount of profit. Now, for the YouTube and the Zbit people, sorry, YouTube and the X people who are watching from the zbit.com channels, I want to tell you my name is Yash, and Zbit is a crypto exchange platform. This live stream is for Zbit and Zbit only. This is not like any random trading channel which is just here to provide you the trades and make you understand regarding what's happening in the market and every other things. No, this is not that. This is not that private channel. This is a channel. This is an official channel of a zbit.com, which is here for all of you people. Zbit.com is a most beginner friendly app, or you can call, see, it's app or you can call it platform, whatever you know call it. It's one in the same thing. Potato doesn't matter. It's the same thing. So Zbit is a most beginner friendly platform right now for all of you people to take advantage of, to take advantage in starting your crypto journey. Everybody needs to start their crypto journey in a meanwhile time, because this is that moment where everything everything is, it's like, see, yeah, I get it. Like right now, whatever I can see in the can, like on the market, doesn't make sense to me. Like, why was there sudden fall of the market? Like, what was the need of that market fall? Even though, like, okay, fine, like at least it gave us like the all-time high of just $2,000 up, and then it fall down completely straight to what, 110, and it's still trying to fall. Okay, the highest level the market fall down today was 101. 101 was noted as the most highest market has fallen down till now point. One second, let me just check something, because I already told you that something might happen like this. I remember it very clearly that I've already shared you one of these insights. See, this is not yet liquidated. Okay, this got liquidated. Yeah, this got till here, it got liquidated. This part. Okay, got it. Got it. Can have a more potential to go down as well, depending on the market. It's just like I couldn't believe like this happened, but it happened. What we can say, market is an unpredictable place. We can use that code and let's let it side, and we can focus on the trading. Today I will try my best to give you trades in this uncertain market. Okay, I really feel like, see, obviously I am not going to go for any buy side trade. There is not going to be a buy side trade from my end. Welcome user 678174. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Your job is to deposit. My job is to give you trade. If I give you trade and you don't have a deposit at that time, then whose loss it is? It's your loss. So first of all, what you need to do is deposit. Whenever you come on this live stream, the first movement you need to make is the finger goes to the deposit and deposit everything. Sell your houses and deposit, doesn't matter, just deposit. Okay, don't sell your houses, just kidding. Okay, just kidding, but I'll appreciate it. So Zbit is a crypto exchange platform, and this is an official channel where we are going live right now. This is one of the features of the Zbit. Like this live stream is not just like, there is somebody who is gonna teach me regarding trading and blah blah blah. No, this is a feature of Zbit. That's why it is called as the most beginner friendly app, most beginner friendly crypto exchange platform on the, like right now all the platform are going on, but this is the most beginner friendly because we are providing you these services. There are top three features, like two rewards and one feature. Actually, two rewards and one feature. The first, like whenever you, the first time you open the Zbit app, okay, I will show you the app. One second. So this is like basically our platform. Okay, this is our zbit.com. We are like, we like, it's already been like 4 to 5 months, like we are in the biz. So first thing what you need to do is how to get those rewards. Okay, there are three rewards. You can see three tabs over here. These three tabs are the three rewards which you should be having. Okay, these three rewards is free. Nobody's going to charge you anything. Nobody's asking you for anything. Okay, the only thing you need to do is just this, which is also again free. This is like no charges. You just have, you can open, like, see, sometime like opening any stock market account and zero account, they charge you something, right? XYZ amount of thing, like yearly maintenance charges, opening charges, extra falana, dimkhana, whatever they do. So, but Crazybit kept it simple. Like for just entering a Gmail and password, and people ask you money for that. That's not sane thing. Okay. So in here, the creating account is completely free of cost. Compared to the stock market, this is completely free. You just have to open it, put your country code. See, you don't even have to do a lot of stuff, like my name, place, animal thing. You don't have to play those games. You simply country code, your email address, and your password, whatever you want to create. Okay, that's that's it, and your account is open. It's that simple. It's, you don't have to, allegedly you don't have to make any of those differences. You're like, let me find my documents, let me do this, and no, you don't have to do anything, any of those things. Just this three simple steps and sign up, and then you did it. This is the first step of yours completed. Now what you get, three things: one feature and two rewards. One feature and two rewards. That's what you get. Now, what is two rewards? Two reward is basically, first you will be getting is a free crypto token. Now, what that token will be, that's a mystery. Okay, I don't know. Not the my company knows. Not anybody. It's an algorithm. We have made 4 to 5. No, sorry, we have made 8 to 10 coins over there. In that random spin, something. Mhm. So, as I was talking about, we have, I was talking about reward. Yes, the first reward you will be getting is like when you come on this live stream, you just open the account for completely free of cost, not even making any of those hectic things. Just simply country code, email address, password, and then boom, you have entered, you have taken your first step. You have put your first step in that door, and that door is leading to your crypto journey, which can make you a financially freedom person. Now, we all know this one very specific thing, that whenever we have, this is live, right? Yeah, this is live. I am live. Okay, I'm live now. So many interruptions, but it's fine. It's fine. It happens. It's 1 day or 2 days. So first reward which we'll be getting is a crypto token rewards. These crypto tokens, they are like 8 to 10 random crypto tokens. It will spin, and one you will be getting. Okay. And in like, I don't want to give you an idea about it, but I will give you a little hint about it. That first, there are two stable coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum. There are also altcoins like Solana, XRP, and two to three more. And there are also meme coins as well. Okay, so out of this, you will be receiving one. Okay, with XYZ amount of quantity, and you can increase that quantity as well by following the further step, which is KYC, deposit, and every of those things. Okay, now this is the first reward you got is a free first ever crypto token from Zibit.com. Like, see, I really believe this on one thing, that first step is very important. It is very important. First step needs a lot of encouragement. First step needs a lot of courage. First step needs a lot of guts to enter in something, to some platform where you know that there is a lot of money, but you are also having a risk, because the risk is also there that you might lose money as well. So once you take a first step, you should be appreciated, and that appreciation will be given by this Zibit.com by offering you the first ever crypto token completely free of cost to all of people, and that you will be having in your wallet. Okay, and now what you will be having, that is a mystery. Okay, I'm not giving commitments on Bitcoin, I'm not giving commitment on Ethereum. There are lucky spin. Okay, in lucky spin, anything, if you are lucky enough, you can get Bitcoin. That's all I can say. Okay, now other than this is a first reward. Now once you complete the whole process, the process goes like opening account, KYC, deposit, and take a first trade. Okay, KYC is very simple. You just have to tell you like if you are a genuine person or not, give your whatever like Aadhaar card, PAN card, or some any of the country. If you are from Nigeria, if you are from this country, that country, XYZ, XYZ country, any country you are from, you just give you some identification proof that yes, I am the person who is speaking right now, XYZ or one thing. Now the next thing, once you do that, then there is a deposit thing that you need to deposit. See, in the starting, I get it that in the starting it doesn't feel like, shall I deposit 10,000, shall I deposit 20,000, shall I deposit 30,000, shall I deposit 50,000? Is it, it doesn't come, and I'm talking in INR. Okay, I'm not talking about USD. I'm talking in INR, 10,000 INR, 20,000 INR, 30,000 INR, and blah 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 scenario. It feels very like in that scenario, like, shall I, is it worth it? Is it gonna be worth it? And blah blah blah. See, I'll tell you this one very specific thing. If you deposit $10 or less than $10, you won't be having any motivation to deposit more money. You won't be having it. I'll tell you why. Because with that $10 or less than $10, you won't be having a big profit which you are expecting. $10 profit may can be $1, maybe 0.5 as well, maybe 1.5 to 2.53. That's it. And that's the profit which you'll feel like, that's it. And in that, there are transaction fees as well, there are platform fees as well. So in at the end, you will be having receiving a very like not a big which you are expecting, like 10 cannot become 10, won't become 20, and it won't become 30. 10 will stay 10 only. It will be like maybe 12, maybe 13, maybe 14, maybe 15. 15, that too, it requires a lot, huge momentum, something like this. Something like this, it may require to be turned 10 into 15 or 16. Something like this kind of big requirement. This big. Okay. So the key of the cryptocurrency trading is the quantity. If you have a good quantity, you will be getting a good reward as a profit, like a very good profit. If you don't have, if you allegedly don't have a good uh, if you are not buying a good quantity, you are buying that small quantity of 0.01, 0.5, 0 point this, that, blah, blah. That is not going to make any difference in your profit. Trust me on this. Really trust me on this. That's not going to make any differences in that XYZ amount of trade. Hello, I am new. If you are a new person over here, you are the first ever new person over here. The first job of you is having a congratulations from my side. Congratulations for being a new person on this platform. You are Nigerian, right? Yes, you are Nigerian. I will teach you how to trade in the Zbit as well. I will make you familiar with what is this, what is this, XYZ, like this is our platform. Okay, this is our platform. That person went, that person went. 942021, user 942023. It's fine. I was explaining the new user rewards earlier. Why that person went. Bring, bring back. I'll wait for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Not gonna come back. You are a new user. You should come on the live stream. I was about to explain something which is need to be explained. It feels bad that breakup. Trust me. Asking something and leaving. Sure. So, first thing you will be getting is a crypto token as a free reward. Okay. Next thing which you will be getting is after doing every of those stuff, like you did your KYC, you did your deposit. Deposit should be bigger. Okay. If you are a new person, deposit at least, I'm saying least, at least deposit like $30-40. $30-40 is okay. Like for start, initial start, don't start with $1, $2, $3. Okay. That is like what is gonna make what $1 can do, bro. Like seriously, what $1? Don't consider it as a, oh my god, it's a $1. It's not $1. For example, for example, for example. Yeah. See, I'm in Dubai right now. Okay. So 1 dirham is almost 24 rupees of INR. Okay. And if I buy anything, like if I buy anything over here, if I calculate that money in INR thing, it feels it's this. But after some while time, that 1 dirham feels like one coin only. Okay. Even if you are spending 100 rupees, 200 rupees and getting your 1 or 2 USDT. Okay. But in the crypto market, that's not your 100 INR. In crypto market, it's just 1 rupee. For like understanding, it is 1 USDT, but the value of 1 rupee it holds. It won't be like, oh my god, this is 100 INR. Wow. Yeah, it's 1 USDT. So make sure that at least that first initial deposit should be at least the least of least. I'm saying, like as a trader, I'm saying you like like this is like $1, $2, $10 is not gonna make any profit to you. You won't be seeing any profit, and then you will do the another profit. So it's better the first, if you want to start any profit from your like initial start, like when you start do the deposit, at least do $30 to $40 deposit, so that you can see some movement in that wallet. 30 can become 35, 40, 50, something you can see. $10, $5 deposit is like, why you are doing it even. Hello, Luna. Welcome to the live stream of zbit.com. I'm just explaining like about zbit to all the new users, because see, there is one guy who's texted, I hello, I'm new, and then he left. And Luna left. Okay, it's fine. So first is this worth over 1,200, worth over $1,200 worth of new user crypto asset. You can get anything, like it can be random thing. The next thing, after doing everything, deposit, blah 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 scenario, you will be receiving this thing. This is the second reward, which is try future trading, limited time, free new users. This is a limited offer. Limited offer. Now what is it? What is it? Before even doing a deposit, in the future trading, only in the future trading, we are offering to all of our new user for limited period of time. This is not going to stay forever and ever and ever. This is for just a very limited period of time. I am going to offer you a free trade, complete free trade. Go crazy, run everywhere, wherever you want to go, whatever you want to trade, do it completely free of cost. But there is a limits. There are some limitations. Obviously, I cannot make you buy like first free trade that you will to do like buy 100, 200 Bitcoin. Then it will be like my bank, my company will go bankruptcy, right? So first free trade is worth 10 USDT. 10 USDT worth of trade you can take. Now there is no limitation on what coin, which coin, and blah 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 scenario. There are no limitations on which coin you want to trade. Okay, the limit, it is a limited offer. Like in 10 US, the first crypto trade, first future crypto trade on Zbit is free, worth 10 USDT. You can take a trade worth 10 USDT. Now you can apply your leverage, whatever leverage you want to apply, you can apply it. That 10 can either you can make that 10 100, or you can make that 10,000 1,000. You can make that 10,000 as well. It depends on you now what kind of trade you want to take and according to your leverage. Okay, now that is free, but there are some terms and conditions which you need to understand. Okay, now what are those terms and conditions? When you take a trade, it's a free trade. Nobody's going to ask you money. It's our investment for you. Like obviously when a person wants to, the first trade is a very remembered trade, and we don't want that your first trade should go like in a loss. So if you are taking a first trade, we are giving you that like have it, have a first experience of the Zbit, how it happens, what is the market, how the market reacts, how to take a trade, and blah 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 blah. So you will get a first experience from the first trade. So just for an experience, just for the trial ball, we don't want you to lose your wicket. So we will give you a trial ball, which is a free trade of future trading. 10 USDT, you put in the market, got it. And we will provide that 10 USDT. You can take Luna, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Luna. Welcome to the live stream of Zibit.com. My name is Yash. Hi, Luna. My name is Yash. Luna, you are from India. If you are from India, like your name is Luna, really? Like for legit, like your name is Luna, because I don't feel your name is Luna. Indian people won't have Luna name. I feel. Okay. Not being judgy, but just as per experience. But welcome to the Zbit.com. I am just explaining the new users what is like. Are you a new user, Luna? First of all, just let me just clarify something over here. Are you a new user? Did you came here for the first time? Are you opening this account for the first time? Because I'm explaining, like I'll be explaining the zbit.com, how to use market and blah 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 blah, everything from top to the bottom, from the A to the Z, from the one to the infinity. Everything I'll be explaining you regarding the zbit.com for all the new user in the starting. Okay, so are you a new user, Luna? Luna is unresponsive. So let it be. First trade. Okay, so when you take the first trade of 10 USDT, okay, now what happens in over there? You entered in the market with whatsoever leverage, whatsoever coin, whichever coin you pick, whichever leverage you pick, whatever you did. Okay, you entered in the coin, you entered in the market. The market is going for buy situation. Now, if you gain profit, let's assume that from that $10 you got at least, let's say the minimum to minimum, you got $2 as a profit. That $2 is your hard earned money, not the $10. It will not become $12, like 10 which we gave plus 2, 12. No, it will stay $2 only. After that trade gets exit, you will be not, you won't be having that XYZ amount of $10. Like that is bonus money. Okay, that bonus money will go away. Whatever XYZ amount of profit you gain from that trade will be in your wallet, which you can either withdraw or do anything. That $10 bonus cannot be withdrawn. It won't. It is a bonus. It's not a real money. Okay. It's a it's it's real, but at the same point, it's not real. It's somewhere in between existence and non-existence. Okay, in somewhere in between there. So that money cannot be withdrawn, that bonus, but whatsoever profit you gain from that trade, that can be withdrawn. Okay, that is a first trade. And some people will like, what if we have a loss? If you have a loss, like I said to you, the first trade is a completely free trade. Okay, you don't have to do anything, nor investment. You don't have to do any investment, nor you have to face any loss. If you face a loss, that is our loss. We'll deal with it. Okay, if you have like you lost like minus $8, $10, $5 to $6, whatever dollar you got minus, that's our loss. And after that loss, for let's just imagine the first trade you entered with a 10 USDT and you got a loss of 5. Now what about the remaining 5? People may think that I will take a trade of that remaining 5 now. No, it doesn't happen like that. Okay, it is not a game which is until you have a profit will give you the free trade. No, it is just first. Now in the first trade you have profit, you have loss, you have anything. That is just for an experience. First experience, first free trade. You have an free hand. Gain profit or gain loss, it won't matter. If you gain profit, that is your profit, it will be in your wallet. But if you gain loss, that is our loss. You don't have to pay anything for it. Got it? This is a second reward which Zbit is offering. Now the third best feature, what is that third best feature which Zbit is offering you at the current moment of the time, which is this live stream which is going on right now. This live stream is for all the beginners, all the existing people, plus beginner, plus new user, plus all those people who want to know what is happening in the market, how to do a trading, how to find the entry points. Can you give me trade? Can you recover me my loss? Can you do this? Blah blah. My withdrawal is not coming. My deposit is not there. My this is not here. My blah blah. Any issue you face with Zbit, any trades you want from me, like from us, like I am like, see, basically we do live trading over here. At the same point, I can also teach you regarding trading as well, but you have to ask for it. As there are a lot of people on the live stream, I cannot focus on one person. Okay, but if you have that thing, like I want to know what you did right now, how to spot this, how to spot that, how to find chart pattern, how to find anything, how to find my entry point, then you need to comment on the comment section. If you don't comment, I'll feel that you know everything, that you are like this, like you are educated enough regarding the trading, that you know everything. You just came here to just know what is happening in the overall market, the market analysis, and I'll give you the trade, that's all. But if you comment, then I'll help you with that, whatever xyz issue you are having. But until and unless you don't communicate, I cannot know, because what I can see is just my face on a screen. I cannot see your face on the screen. It's just like, to be very, very fair, I'm talking about. Okay. Like right now, even if I'm talking about, it's like me talking to me. I can see myself. This is on the phone. This me is on the screen over there. This me is on here. So it's just me. I can see. Okay. I cannot see you. What are you? If you're happy, if you're not happy, if you're depositing, you're not depositing, you're taking trade, not taking trade, until and unless you comment on the comment section. So make sure this one very specific thing. Whenever you come on this live stream, there are two things which you need to do. One is comment whatsoever. Hi, hello, buy, what, blah, blah, blah. What's happening in the market? What is it? Are you going for buy? Are you going for sell? This, blah, blah. What if whatsoever it is? Comment on the comment section. What is your need? Even if you just came, just say hi, pop up and blah, so that I'll know that yes, you are here. Other than this, the second job of your is, see, I will be giving you a live trades for very, very sure. Okay. Now in this live trades, if in that moment you don't have a deposit and it shows you that you have an insufficient balance to take a trade, and then you will lose that opportunity to take a trade with me. Take a trade with me, live trading opportunity with me. You will lose that opportunity. Why? Because see, if you deposit right now, like if you click on that deposit button right now, you deposit xyz amount, like $10, $20, 30, 40, 50, 100,000, 1 lakh, whatever you want. It will take almost 15 to 20 to 30 minutes to come to your wallet. It will not happen with a finger snap. It won't. Because there are, see, it's not like INR to INR transaction we are doing. If it's INR to INR, then it will happen with a finger snap. We are doing INR to USD, from USD to USDT. Okay, there are process. This process requires some XYZ amount of time. So make sure whenever you come on this live stream, the first ever thing you need to do is click on that. You have only two features on the live stream. One is take a trade, another one is deposit. If you have deposit sufficient balance in your wallet, then completely directly whenever I give you trade, put tap on that take a trade. But if you have like this, like if you don't have sufficient balance, then first thing you need to do is tap on that deposit button, push it, play with it, lick it, punch it, whatever you want to do it, just click on that button, deposit whatever you want to do, xyz amount of thing, and then wait for it to come to your wallet, and then we will take a trade. Okay. Welcome user 323540. Welcome on this live stream of the zbit.com. My name is Yash. Please do tell me if you are a new user or you are existing user, because I am trying to teach you regarding Zbit, like how to trade with Zbit. Are you a new person? And you are from India, so see, I can speak in Hindi as well. मेरे को हिंदी भी आती है, मुझे हिंदी में बात करना भी आता है. बट यहाँ पे मतलब कभी कभी कैसा, मतलब लाइव स्ट्रीम में नाइजीरिया के भी लोग आ जाते हैं. ठीक है, नाइजीरिया के लोग को ऑब्वियसली हिंदी नहीं आती है, तो मैं एक कॉमन लैंग्वेज यूज करता हूँ हमेशा, जो होती है इंग्लिश. ओके. पर अगर कोई भी चीज, कोई भी एक टॉपिक जैसा लग रहा है कि यार ये मेरे को ये चीज ना इंग्लिश में नहीं समझ में आ रही है, या फिर ये new user. Okay, congratulations for joining this live stream. And I can tell you, see, मैं ना ये जो जीबिट है, ये जीबिट को मैं ट्रेड कैसा करते हैं, ये सारे जो फीचर्स है इसके, रिवॉर्ड, मार्केट, फिर ये मार्केट में जाके ये यहाँ पे ये सब क्या है, ये ओपन क्लोज, लिमिट ऑर्डर, मार्केट और ट्रिगर ऑर्डर, ये सारी चीजें आई डोंट नो हिंदी. नो इश्यूज, नो इश्यूज, थैंक यू सो मच. सी, once you are a new user, you are not familiar with the app right now, you are not familiar with how to use Zbit right now, so I will make you understand all the features, all the options of the Zbit right now, so that you will be familiar with what is what, how to do future trading, what is limit order, market order, trigger order, how to find my SL, blah 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 scenario, everything from the A to the Z. I will explain you regarding the Zbit on this live stream. Okay, this live stream is not just regarding like just to give you to solve your queries. Okay, I give you live trades as well. We do live trading on the live stream. I also, like, if you want to learn, if you are eagerly want to learn regarding market, like I want to learn trading, I want to learn the concepts, I want to learn strategies, I want to know how you find the entry points and every of those things. Okay, I want to know how to do market analysis, technical analysis. You can also comment on the comment section that I want to know this kind of stuff, so that I can teach you that as well. Okay, this live stream is like overall package. It's not just like for query solving or just knowing regarding Zbit or just giving you live trades. It is also a teaching sessions as well, where I can help you in learning the trading sessions, the trading concepts, and every of those things. So even if, why I'm saying this, because this live stream is for 4 hours. Okay, every day, sorry, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days, it will be for 8 hours, 4 hour me, 4 hour Nida. But on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, for 4 days, this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, it will be for 4 hours, because there will be only one live streamer on this platform. Got it? So, in that scenario, 4 hours I am here. Sometime, in the crypto market, I got some USD that not showing in my wallet. Yes, I will explain you what is it. Okay. See, Can you see this? Try future trading, limited time free. Limited time free. I will tell you what is it. Okay, that's not the real money. Okay, that is a bonus money which we are giving you to take the first free trade in the future trading. First free trade. That's a Zbit reward. All the new user reward is that you will be getting a first free trade. You don't have to pay anything for it. That can be up to 10 USDT. Okay, 10 USDT. Got it? That trade will be worth 10 USDT. You can just simply come to this platform like trade future, only future, no ZBIT, no spot. Okay. Only future free trading you are getting, not spot. So you can come to this spot platform. After the coming to this, future platform, you can pick whatsoever coin you want to pick. Like these are the all the options of the coin over here. You can pick any of this coin and you can take a first free trade. Okay, in that thing, whatever leverage you want to pick, you can pick that leverage as well. If you gain any profit from it, like let's assume that you put $10 completely. Okay, and then you got $1, $2, 3, 4, 5, 5 or whatever xyz amount of profit you got. Let's assume $4. That $4 will go to your wallet because that is your profit. This is bonus money. 10 USDT is a bonus money. Okay. And do not use 10 USDT in half up. Like I will take $5 right now to put in the market, rest 5 will I use later. No. This is only one time free trade. So please use whatsoever amount you got in one go. Okay, because whatever loss also you will be facing. So for example, you entered in the market with $10 and you are facing loss of maybe let's say $2, $3, $4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatsoever loss. That loss you don't have to pay. That loss will be taken care by the company, by us. Okay, profit, you take it into your wallet. You want to withdraw, you can withdraw as well. But whatsoever loss you will be having, you don't have to pay anything of that loss. We will take care of that loss. Got it? I used it. Oh, you used it already. Nice. You had a profit, you had a loss. What kind of thing you had? You had a profit from it. That profit will be in your wallet. But if you faced a loss, then there won't be, yeah, it won't show in your wallet because that loss will be taken care by us. Okay. And have you deposited till right now point? And may I know your name as well? Like it's better to have a conversation, one-on-one conversation. May I know your name? My name is Yash, and I am a live stream host over here. And I'll be taking care of you for the rest of the 4 hours in this meanwhile time. Please also share me your name and also tell me, have you deposited till right now point? Like your money, not the company's money. That was bonus. Have you deposited any amount from your end, like a first deposit? Mid Midhun, have you ever deposited the first deposit? Okay, not talking about the company. That 10 USD bonus you got, that is a bonus amount. It is not withdrawal. You cannot withdraw it. You just can use it for taking a trade. That's all. Okay. Have you deposited till right now point? Your first ever deposit. Midhun, have you deposited yet now? Like till now, have you deposited any amount from your end, not from the company's end, from your end, have you deposited? I am first time not deposited. Okay. So do one thing. Can you see this live stream? Yeah. In that, there is two options. One is take a trade, money, not deposit money. Got it. I got it. Okay. So there is two options over here. One is take a trade and one is deposit on this live stream feature. Okay. I will give you a live trade summary. I'm a trader and I will give you live trades. Okay. Like signals, like go for buy. I will tell you your take profit as well, till where you have to take your profit, till where you have to hold your trade so that you can gain a good amount of profit as well. So this live stream is for that. Like I give you live trades as well over here. So click on that deposit, deposit some amount in like whatsoever, like whatever you are okay with, whatever you're comfortable with, $10, 20, 30, 40, whatever, whatsoever you want to deposit. Okay. After that, because deposit takes time, it might take 10 minutes, 15, 20, 30, or max 30 minutes it can take. Till that point, if I see any trade and I give you, you won't be there to take the trade to gain that profit from my end. Okay. So make sure whenever you come on this live stream, the first thing you do is deposit. If you have money in the wallet, that is totally fine. Then I'll directly give you the trades to take a trade. Okay. But if right now, as you are a new user, you have not yet deposited, you are completely new. So click on that deposit option and do a deposit, whatsoever amount you want to deposit. Okay. Because in a meanwhile time, after like 10 to 15 minutes, I'll be start giving you the trades, live trades, like go for buy situation in this coin, sell situation in that coin, xyz xyz xyz. Okay. So make sure click on that deposit option, deposit, because it will take some time to get into your wallet, and then when I give you the free trades, take the trades at that point from the Zbit app. Till that point, I can also make you familiar with what to do in this place. This is the place. Can you see this place? This is a Zbit. What was the minimum? What was the minimum? I'm the beginner. Minimum can be like, see, it's up to you. You can deposit, like you can start from 100 INR, which you will be getting is 1 USDT. But 1 USDT won't do anything in the market. Trust me. Like $1 investment is like very least investment. You won't be getting any profit from it. There are transaction fees, platform fees. That $1 you won't even be seeing where it went. So at least deposit 10. Start with the 10. 10 USDT is basically 1000 INR. Okay. Not even 1000, it's 900 something. So start with at least, if you want to just try, give a try for the trade, give a try for this app, give a try for anything. Then start with at least 1000. If you are confident enough, then start with 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. Minimum is 100, but you will just get 1 USDT, which like if you have done, like you have some experience of the trading, then 1 USDT is like nothing in the market. Like, like you won't be getting any profit. There are the platform fee, transaction fees, and every of those things. So I trust you how to communicate without life. See, I don't want to start my Telegram channel. Okay, I have an option that I can start my Zbit community where you will be joining in the Zbit Telegram, and there is already a channel of Zbit Telegram, but I have not shared any link to any people over there. I don't want to do that Telegram thing. Okay, so if you want to connect me with, like, if I am not live and you want to connect with me, how shall you connect with me? I don't want to start the Telegram here. It's like it's not my thing. I don't want to do that Telegram thing. You can come on this live stream all the time. See, communicating without this live is not possible. Okay. I can give you my email address if you feel we can communicate through email address. Through email address, I can give my phone number. That thing can possible, but other than this, without like live, yeah, email address I can provide. You can communicate with me with email address. Telegram, I don't want to add anybody in on my Telegram. Okay, that is, I'm not that person. Okay, I'm not gonna do that Telegram channel thing. Nah, sorry. So I can give you my email. We can talk on the email, we can chat in the email, whatever query you are having. If you want to learn something, if you want to discuss something, anything, I can drop my email address over here. One second, I'm dropping it. One second. Okay, that's if in the comment section you might have seen one email address. That's my email address. Okay, So if you have anything, you want to discuss anything with me at any point, that I am like on the email, I'm available all the time. Okay, in the email I can give you my further maybe easier communicating way as well, like number or something or anything. Okay, that's my email address. Got it? So you can connect with me over there. No Telegram, sorry, I'm not a Telegram person. I'm not gonna do that Telegram. Okay, so I will make you familiar with the app first. Like, what is the app, what you can see on the app, what are the features which you can use, how to take a trade, future trade, how to close a trade, open a trade, everything I will make you explain, Midhun. Okay, so let's start with the market, like the first place. Okay, this is the Zbits marketplace. One second. This is a Zbits marketplace. It's just like overall you can watch all the markets over here, spot, future, and in that you can pick your own favorites as well. Like for example, I feel like I want to, you have your watch list, right? Like I want to see Bitcoin, I want to see Ethereum, I want to see XRP. Now you can simply come and check all the favorites which you have kept for yourself. Okay, which you have kept for yourself. Like this is my watch list. I want to just watch my watch list. You can do it from the marketplace. Got it? Now the next thing is trade. In that trade option, you will see that there are two assets. One is spot, where you can do the spot trading, and one is future, where you can do the future trading. Okay. Spot is very simple, so I will explain it in the end. Future is a bit, not, it's hard, but I'll say complicated to understand. So I will explain you the future concept first. Okay. This is the future asset. From here, can you see the arrow? Okay, you can see. Oh, you cannot see my arrow. Huh. Now you can see my arrow over here. From, if you tap on this arrow, from here you can pick whatsoever coin you want to see. There are meme coins as well, there are altcoin as well, there are stable coin as well, there are all kinds of coins over here. Okay, there are all the coins over here. Got it? Now this coins is like, you can pick Ethereum. For example, I picked Ethereum right now. In that, here you will see the current price which is going on and what kind of percentage market is facing. One second. Okay, so this, where is it? Yeah, this will be telling you regarding like minus 699, like how much percent market has dropped till now. Okay, then there is the normal data, stats, market price, index price, funding slash 8 hour. Funding slash 8 hours means like in 8 hours how much funding has came into the market, with which we can know the inflow and the outflow of the market. Now what is inflow and outflow? Inflow means money which is coming inside the market, which is our investment, that I have investment 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, that is inflow. And when I take my profit, like I take 10,000 profit, 1 lakh profit, whatsoever of profit, that profit from the market, that is outflow. So this funding rate can tell us regarding like what kind of inflow or outflow a market is facing right now. 24-hour volume, this blah blah, this normal stat, this is just a stat bar where you can see the normal details of the market. Got it? Now this is the chart. I get it. Trading view gives you a better version of the chart, but it is fine. Like this is just for like watching. That's not for like, I also use trading view only to observe or to make a chart or to find my entry points. Okay, but still, this is the normal basic chart. In the first option, you can see candles. You can pick whatsoever candle you want to pick. Hollow candle, Hakinashi candle, line, area, baseline. And on the next, can you see this, like the option? These are all the free indicators. All the indicators are completely free over here. You can use whatsoever indicator you want to use. Okay, after that there is line to will make that whole bar into line. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. These are the chart time frames. 1 minute chart, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 week, 1 month. That's it, right? Yeah, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. These are the chart time frame which we are providing to you. And I really feel like, see, if you are a scalper, you can use 5-minute, 15-minute. If you are a like not a scalper, but you want to trade a very good amount of quality amount of trade in the market, then you can simply use 1 hour, 4 hour. And you want to analyze, you want to do a big analysis of your market, then you can simply use 1 day time frame. Okay, 1 day time frame. After that, this is simple chart. And if you want to do any drawing, can you see the small arrow over here? Click on that arrow. You can completely just do your drawing. Like you can mark your levels, you can mark your entry points, deposit, blah, sorry, take profit, sales, and blah, blah, blah. Okay, got it? Now, coming to this. What is this? This is called as order book. What is order book? Order book is basically, can you see red, 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 and then there is green, 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 and there is something in between. Okay. Now red are all the sell orders in the market at right now point. Greens are all the buy orders in the market at right now point. Okay. Now every order, see, obviously if I sell, for example, if I am selling 1 Ethereum at XYZ amount of price, now there should be another buyer to buy. I am selling, but I will sell only when there is somebody buying, and that exact amount as well. My requirement was ki I want to sell just 1 Ethereum. Now his requirement should also be the same, that he just want to buy 1 Ethereum. Got it? Now these are those kind of order books. If sell order is for 1.25, there should be a buyer of 1.25. They will match, their order will get executed, and it will show in the between. Okay, got it? Now these are order books, trades. What is happening in the right now market every second? Who is going for what kind of trade? All the green will be showing your people are buying, red will show you people are selling. Okay, so with this you can have a clear idea ki like every time whenever you see the time frame, you can see the time frame, and you can see the size, like what lot, like quantity. Basically size is quantity, how much Ethereum, 10 Ethereum, 20, 1 Ethereum, 0.5, whatever Ethereum people are selling, people are buying. We can differentiate if maximum people are buyers in the account right market right now, or they are sellers. We can see by here, like we can see maximum red, red, red. That means more and more sellers are there in the market. If we see maximum green, 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 then with the quantity as well, then we will see that there are more buyers in the market. Got it? Now, how to take a trade? This is the trade option over here. Let me just log in into my account for just one. I'll just log in into my account because login is required. Just give me one moment. I will log in into my account. Just 1 minute. I'm login. There is OTP procedure over here. Okay. Done login. Welcome back. Okay. So this is a login. I've logged into my very, like, this is a third account I have. Okay. This is just a random third account which I've kept not for nothing, just for just trials. Okay. So what is this? I will make you understand the feature from this point to the last point till here. Okay. So you don't have to worry regarding this. I will explain you every of the situation. Now, first option when you see on this is isolated or cross. It is a margin mode. Okay. What is margin? Margin is like whether you want to use your available balance, or you don't want to use your available balance. It is called as margin mode, cross or isolated. Login bonus USDT sum. I will use it. Sum automatically debited. Why? Login bonus sum. I used it. Sum automatically debited. Why? Okay. So Midun, what happens is that is a first free trade. Okay. You may have got, I think you have got 10 USDT because that's what we offer. First 10 USDT for you to trade. Okay. Now most of the people think that that money will stay with them forever. No, that is a first trade. You have to enter with complete 10 USDT because it's only can be used one time like a OTP. It's not the time for asking this. Sorry. No, it's completely fine. Completely fine. Completely fine. I can explain you why automatically debited. It is, that's what I'm saying. You see, you took a trade, like you said that you have entered in the trade, you have taken a trade. Did you let me just confirm with you first. Midun, have you taken the first trade in future trade? First trade without your deposit, with the company's deposit, like 10 USDT, whichever bonus you got. With that bonus, you took your first trade, right? Just tell me yes or no. You took the first trade with the bonus, then I will explain you why it happened. Answer, brother. Yes. Okay. So see, that is a like. Do you understand the concept of OTP, one time password, right? The same thing, that 10 USD bonus is a one time investment. One time. In that you have to use completely everything. If you didn't, like for example, you got 10. From that 10 you invested 5 and 5 is remaining. People will think that I can use this 5 later, but no, it is a one time trade only for first time. In that, if you use completely 10, okay. If you just use $2 from it, that is also okay. The rest 8 will be gone. You cannot see that rest 8 because that was a bonus. $10 was a bonus amount. Okay. It is only applicable for first trade. If you take a complete $10 trade, good. If you take $5 trade, that is all. Like, it's up to you. If you want to take $2 trade, $5 trade, 8, 9, 10, or complete 10. My advice is, whenever you get the first bonus, take complete 10 because that bonus is not gonna be there for the second trade. It is not gonna be there. If you think that from 10 I invest 5 right now, 5 I will keep for later, it won't work like that. It will not. It is just the first trade. Okay. That means you have to use that 10 completely at one go. Whatever profit you gain, that profit will be deposited into your wallet. But if you face loss, for example, let's say you face loss, you invested that 10 completely and you faced a loss. That loss we will bear. You don't have to pay for that loss. We will take care of that loss. Thank you for clarification. Welcome, Midun. Now, as I'm explaining you the margin mode. What is margin mode? Margin mode is an option for you. Either you want to use your capital account completely or you want to save it. Okay. Now, cross. If I switch to cross mode. Okay. Let's say I switch it to cross mode. Now, what does cross mode? I will explain you in here. Okay, a little. Okay. Let's say you have 10 USDT. This is not bonus amount. Okay. This is your actual deposit. Let's say you deposited 10. Okay. You took the first trade. First trade of, let's say you took 5 USDT. Let's just imagine that first trade is of 5 USDT. So what is your remaining capital account now? 5 USDT. This is your remaining capital. Capital. Okay. This is capital. This is trade. Okay. First, you deposited 10 USDT. Okay. Now you took first trade worth of 5 USDT. I'm explaining you cross margin, how cross margin is used. Okay, you took first trade of 5 USDT. Now from that it is minus from here, so remaining, now your current capital became 5. Let's assume that you got a loss. Assume like from $5 you are facing a loss of -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Till -5 it is okay because that is your investment amount. Okay, you can have till -5 because you have invested $5. $5 you invested, -1 happened, -2 happened, -3 happened, -4 happened, -5 happened. Right now your investment is gone, but your trade is still active. How? Your trade is active with the help of cross margin. Can you see over here? Cross margin. It will do what? If it will have a further loss, let's say the market is going more down, more down, more down, and you are facing more loss, but you want to be still active in the market, it will go -6. Now question, I invested $5 gone, then how the market is taking -6? Where did that extra $1 came from? That extra $1 came from here, your USDT. If it happen -6, it will become 4 USDT. If it become -7, 3, 8, 2, 9, 1, 10, 0, 1. So your capital account goes 0, the trade closes. So you understand, cross margin allows you, if you capital is basically this is capital. Okay, available, what your deposit amount is called capital loss. Yes, yes. So cross margin is basically what, that if your investment amount is already gone but you still want to be in that trade, you have hope that some moment it will go for a good buying at that moment. In that situation you can give a cross margin and you can use your remaining capital account to be active on the trade. But take my advice, don't use cross margin. Why? Because see, sometimes you have seen that in cryptocurrency a very such kind of candle comes. One second. In cryptocurrency most of the time very big huge kind of candle will come in the market. Now this stop loss in the app, stop loss, yes, you can put a stop loss, but if you don't put a stop loss, that what I'm explaining, cross can use your capital account. That's it only I'm explaining. Okay, now the next is isolated. Okay, now what is isolated? Isolated means your investment 5, maximum loss you can have is of 5, and your trade will get close. It won't have more loss than 5. Your trade will get close. Your capital account, this available balance will be safe, completely safe. You don't have to use any of those things. Okay, it will be completely safe if you use isolated version, isolated margin mode. You invested 5, remaining is 5, that remaining 5 will be completely safe with isolated. You didn't give permission to market to use this thing. Cross margin gives permission that you can use my capital as well if I go more minus than my investment. Got it? Simple. Okay, now the next thing, stop loss in the app. I will explain everything I'll explain. It is over here, everything is here. Okay, the next come is leverage. Okay, this is leverage. You can pick what's the average leverage you want to pick: 1, 2, 3, 5, 25, 50, 75, 100, 125. Okay, every coin has a different leverage. Bitcoin has different, Ethereum has different, Solana has different, XRP has different. Like every coin has their different leverage, which you can pick. See, right now Ethereum is what? Max 125, right? I will show you for XRP. XRP will be, XRP max is 75 only. Ethereum was 125 max. XRP is just 75 max. Cross is debited from capital. Isolate. Yes, you are absolutely right. Cross is debited from capital. Isolated is not debited from capital. You are right. Okay. So right now, this is the next option to the cross. And how to know which margin mode is active right now? Whatever margin mode is visible over here, that one is active. Right now, cross is active. So I have to click it, isolate, switch to isolate mode. And when you switch to isolated, move. See, you can see it is isolated. Okay. So whatever margin mode is, you can see over here, that one is active at that moment. Okay. Got it. Now, other thing, this is next option is leverage. This is leverage. You can pick whatsoever leverage you want to pick. And like I said to you, every coin has a different leverage. Some has max 125, some has max 75 only. So it is not a glitch of the market. It is like respective. Like every coin has that XYZ amount of leverage. Okay. Now, in this leverage, you have to focus on one thing. Can you see max holding size is about? Max holding means the maximum you can buy or sell, because it is future. You can do sell as well without even buying. It's not that like a spot. Okay. So maximum holding means what? Maximum quantity you can buy in that leverage. If I pick 75 leverage, then maximum I can buy is 4036 XRP. Okay. And if I go for, let's say, Ethereum, let's go for Ethereum leverage. And if I do maximum, I want to do 125. If I do max 125 leverage in Ethereum, what is the maximum holding I can take? Maximum I can buy is 13 Ethereum. Maximum. I cannot buy 14 Ethereum. Only 13. If I take 125. If I just take 25, then max 25. The max I can buy is 13,082. You can see the quantity over here. Got it? This is about leverage. You can pick your XYZ leverage. I will explain you one very best feature in the last, which is this calculator. This calculator can help you in knowing what can be your target price, what kind of investment you have to make, and with that investment, what kind of profit you will be having. That this whole calculator explains you in a very precise manner, which I will explain a little later. Okay, let's come down, understand how to take a trade. First is open and second one is close. Open means you are going to trade right now. Close means that you are closing your whatsoever trade with profit or with loss right now. Okay. Open trade has three options, three orders. One is limit order, market order, third one is trigger order. Got it? Limit, market, trigger. What do you understand by limit? Limit order means according to me. For example, Midun don't want to enter at 3,827. Right now, market is going at about 1 second. Right now, Bitcoin market. Let's say about example. We are just taking example. Okay, we are just taking simple example. That right now, Midun don't want to enter at current market price. Okay, Midun thinks that market can come down at this point again, and that's the point where I want to go for buy. It will come here. So what Midun will be do that this is current market price 111735. This is current market price, right? But I don't want to enter over here. I feel more fall down will come, and from this point a good buying will come. So this point is becomes what? 101681. What I'm going to do is limit order price. What price I want to enter? 101681. That is the price which I want to enter at for Bitcoin. Okay. And I will pick my size. Okay, this is for Ethereum. 1 second. I'll change. Why to confuse people? Okay, this is Bitcoin. I want to see current market is 11714. 726, whatever is going on. But I want to enter at 108. This is the place. Let's say I want to enter at 108. This is 108. I want to enter at 108,693. Okay. I will put that price 108,693. And I will pick my size, whatsoever size I will pick. Let's say 10% of, no, always go for order by value, confirm. So 10% of my available balance, 20% of my available balance, 50% of my available balance, or 100%. Or you can pick manually as well, or you can pick by size as well. You have two options over here. Order placement by two option, either by size 0.001, 0. This, 0. That, 0. Blah 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 blah. Okay, and or you can go for is order by value, which is basically you can pick 10% of my USDT. This is my available USDT. From that seven's 10% will be, I don't know what is it. So that 10% I can buy 20%, 30%, 50%, or whatsoever. Okay, you can put manually as well if you don't want to pick. Like let's say you don't want to put 20, you want to put 25. You can put 25% over here according to you. According to you. Okay. Now you will go for open order, open long. Open long means you are going for buy situation. Okay. In future market, buy means long, sell means short. Okay. Long means you are going for buy. You think that market can go from this place to this place. The price is going to increase. And short means that you are going for sell, that you think that price is going to decrease. Got it? Cool. So you open for long. At now, when you open for long, your order will get execute? No. When your order will get execute, till the point that market, comes down. I want pencil. Okay. Till that point, market comes down to this point. This is the point. When the market will touch this point, then your order will get execute. If it's not touching, then it will never execute your order. You have never entered in your order. Let's assume that it is 108,693. Market comes to 108,692. Your order is placed at 693, but market came till 692, and from there it went up. Your order will not get executed. Limit order takes exact measures that Midun wants to enter at this price, and that's the exact price we will execute his order. Okay, this is limit order. Not, it won't be like, okay, it came a little this and then I will enter. No, it won't happen like that. Okay, so I can see a lot of new users over in the market right now in here. So if you haven't deposited till now, click on the deposit option, deposit your amount, and then wait for me to give a trade. I will give a trade after explaining you this Zbit thing. Okay, Luna, hello Luna, welcome. Luna, tell me your real name. I know Luna is not your real name. I want to know your real name. How to start first time? How to start first time? Is it your first time? Like, have you taken the reward, which is first free trade of future? Are you a new user? User 893005024, like 893005024. Are you a new user? Have you taken your first free trade in future trade? If not, then I'm explaining you how to take a trade as well in the market over here. You are a new user, got it? And with this new user thing, are you like have you used your future first trade? First trade, the bonus amount we give you 10 USD as a bonus amount to take a first free trade. Have you used it? Not, you didn't use it. Congratulations. I will tell you this one thing: use that 10 USDT completely at one time. If you think that I have 10, I will use 5 before 5, I will use it later, it won't happen like that. How to know margin market go up or down? How to know margin market go down, up or down? You want to know you want to know like how like for which side to enter, like buy or sell? There are so many users over here at the live time, so please make sure that you're tapping on this deposit option and depositing a amount. Okay, so we were talking about, yeah, so user 89, how, yes, how to, Acha, you want to know like how the market will, how to know if the market is going buy or sell. Okay, I'll make you understand this. For that, it's a it's a very big topic to know if the market is going to go for buy and sell, because it includes technical analysis. Technical analysis have multiple things. For example, right now situation. Okay, right now situation I will give you. Okay, let me just delete everything. Okay, just right now situation. Let's go for 1 hour chart frame. Now, in that 1 hour chart frame right over here, my first thing which I can do is, which I can see is like identify structure of the market. I'm telling you for the beginners, the most beginner idea you can take for understanding this, like for like understanding if you want to go for buy, if the trend is downtrend or an uptrend. Very simple thing is understand the structure. Structure is basically, okay, so this is the structure of the market. This is for uptrend, which means market is having a buying scenario, and this is for downtrend, which means market is having a selling scenario. How to identify if a market is in an uptrend or a downtrend? Okay, this is first initial low, then market went up and made a high. Okay, it went high, that is high. Initial H means high and initial low means the lowest point the market was, and then from that point it went to the highest point. Okay, after that market came more down. You will see that market never goes straight like this, straight like this. Okay, it will always have some movement like this. Can you see movement like something up, somewhere down, somewhere up, somewhere down, somewhere up, somewhere down? Okay, so this is low, this is high. After that, after the first high and first low, then we have to observe what is market making. If market comes down and makes this, can you observe this one very specific thing, that this is also low, this is also low, they both are low, but there is a difference between that. What is the difference? The difference is that this low is below and this low is higher than the previous one, which makes it what we call it higher low, HL. If a low is higher than the previous one, we call that is higher low. Okay, and again higher low made, from that higher low market will travel above and will make HH. What is HH? Simple, high. If my current high is higher than the previous high, that is higher high. This is higher high. HH, higher high. It is high than the previous. It is high above the previous. So it called as higher high. The same scenario will keep on repeating because this low, higher low. Why? Because this is high than the previous one. There is a difference. Again, this is higher low, higher high. Whenever a candle, whenever a chart pattern, a structure is making higher high, higher low, that means you have to go for a buy situation. Okay, but where to go for buy situation? I will explain you where to go for buy situation. For example, let's say that market, no, I will explain it the real market so that you will understand it much more better. Okay, so this was the real market scenario. Okay, it started from where? It started from here. This was the initial start of the uptrend. Okay, initial start. So what we're going to do is first low, high, lower high, higher 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 high. Okay. Now, where to enter in such situation? Where should I enter for buy situation? If you are entering from here, that is okay. Okay. Always low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. In an uptrend, whenever you want to enter for a buy situation, always make sure that you are entering for what? You are entering at higher low. Okay, because if you enter at this point, at some point, see, for example, I'll give you why I'm saying this. If you enter over here somewhere, okay, you feel like it's going up, going up, going up, market made higher high, at a higher high, I want to enter for the buy trade. But from the higher high, market falls down as well, a little pullback. This is called as little minor pullback. This pullback is called as retracement. Like obviously there cannot be complete buying or complete selling. Okay, it will be buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, because it depends. Like for me, I entered at this point, I am satisfied with the profit over here, I will sell. So this is selling happening over here. Again people enter over here, people went till this point, they are satisfied and they are going to do sell right now. Sell is this falling down is a minor sell. Again people went for buy at higher low, they went, and people are doing sell, they will do sell. Whenever people are doing sell, higher low is being made, that's the higher low where we are gonna go for buying. And what can be my target? For that target, I will give you a very simple scenario, very simple understanding. Okay, understand this in this small thing, but you will understand it very perfectly. Okay, understand. And this is just a very basic beginner technical analysis. Advanced level comes in identifying chart patterns, identifying candles, finding supply zone, demand zone, fair value gaps of the market. That is an advanced thing, which I will explain you. This is like start from a beginner level. If I give you like, if you are in 10th standard and I will explain you the 11th standard mathematics, you won't understand. So let's understand basics first, and then we'll go in the advanced to advanced to advanced to advanced level. Okay. Now, this is low, high, higher, low, higher, high. Okay. Now, understand this one thing. Whenever there is an uptrend and you have identified that market is making what? Higher high and higher low, market is making. That means market is in a buy situation. Buy. 1 minute, 2 minute trade, which is best? I don't prefer 1 minute, 2 minute trade, nor 5 minute. Either you should do is 15 minute, because in 5 minute, crypto is a very volatile market. It's not like stock market. Okay, like in 5 minute you can capture a moment, but capturing that moment you require a very good observation skills. Okay, like you have to completely be active at the market. Okay, like this is the point, and you have to know the key like reversal zones as well. Like from where should I reverse, from where should I this, from where should I blah 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 scenario. Okay, so from this point, higher low, you enter at the market. Now what can be my target? Your target is simply this level, this level. Why? Because obviously to make a higher high, the previous higher high level is gonna break. If this is a higher low, if it's want to go make another higher high, that means what? It will be above this level. So this level is always the most safe target, safe buy target which we can have. Safest buy target. This level. Entry target, because I know if market wants to make another higher high, continue the uptrend, it will cross this previous level, which you can see over here everywhere. See, this was higher low, this is that level, this is the higher high, this is higher high level. Wait a second, I will delete everything. This is the higher high level, this is your HL, lower low. We entered, profit achieved, because this break and it will make another higher high. Okay, same thing we will do again. This is the higher low, this is that level, the previous HH level. My target, I entered, my target got achieved. Simple. This is basic to basic, the most beginner trading which you can see. You want to see how advanced trading look like? Then let me just analyze the market in front of you. You just observe me how I'm analyzing the market right now. Okay. Let's start from the 1 day time frame. Okay, 1 day time frame. We'll start from the 1 day time frame. At the 1 day time frame, what we can observe is that market has came to the demand zone, which is over here. This is the demand zone of the market. What do you mean by demand zone? Demand zone is basically that point from where good buying came. A very huge buying came in the market, which is basically, see, this is that one red candle, and from there a very big candle of buying is starting to happen. That becomes my what? Demand zone in the market. This is my demand zone in the market. Okay, I will write it over here. 1 day demand zone. How can I use my 1 day demand zone? Okay, or how can I use my different demand zone? I will explain you. Let me just plot all the market, like everything, the supply zone, the demand zone, if I can see fair value gaps, everything, I will plot it, and then I'll explain you what I will do in that situations. Okay, this is the first demand zone. Second demand zone is basically this, and you can see it as well. See, one time how it works. First demand came, very good buying came. After that, market fall down to that zone again. From there again the buying will come. Again fall down to that specific zone. Can you see that green bar? That is a zone. From that zone itself, again a very good buying comes. Right? So this becomes what? That this is the place, this is the zone where I'm going to do my buying. This is my buy position. Whenever market will come down, tap into that zone, I will go for buy entry, because I know a buying is going to happen from a demand zone. Okay, and one time, one time it was respected, it started, first time respected, second time respected, third time it was not respected. A zone, a single zone can be respected 2 to 3 to 4 times. If it is not respecting, then we can find another zone. Another zone was just below that, and you can see from that demand zone itself, market again went for buying. It is just a lower wick of the candle. Again from there it went for buying. Okay, so finding demand zones in the market is very important. It will help you to know that right now market will go for extreme buy or extreme sell. Got it? Similar to this, there are supply zones. Demand zone from where extreme buying comes. Now there is supply zone from where extreme selling comes in the market. Let me just write it first. Okay, this is also technical analysis, but advanced level. What I told you about the market, higher high, higher low, is the most beginner basic for the new users, because I don't want to like give you all the knowledge at once. I just want to do it right now to show you what an actual market analysis looks like. Okay, this is what I plotted. Now from here, I am very indefinite. Like I cannot find my supply zone at this point. Finding supply zone from this point is little hard for me. So what I'm going to do is change my time frame. I'll go to 4 hours. In 4 hours straight, very clearly I can see how to spot a supply zone. See, Big candle, big candle, big candle, big candle. Complete red, 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 red. Sell. A very straight sell. What we are going to do is, before this big candle, we'll find a very small candle. This small candle becomes our zone. What we're going to do is take that candle, H, cover that candle completely. The small candle I'm talking about, no, not the big candle. Small candle will cover and we'll drag it. This becomes what? Our supply zone. How a supply zone is going to work? Let me just first. Supply zone, always put in a red color so that you won't get confused. This is my supply zone. Okay. Whenever market is at, put it over here. Okay, there are two demand zones of the market. One was this, one was this. You can clearly see a lot of time market has came, went. This is buying opportunity. It might be more as well. This is the initial start buying opportunity. Okay, two buying opportunity it gave you. Third time again, whenever a demand has started its journey, like for example, from here market has started moving up. From demand, market traveling. The traveling will end where? The traveling will definitely will end over here at the supply zone. Whenever market jumps or takes a movement from a demand zone, it will always will go to supply zone straight. Like from here, the movement won't be like this. Okay, the movement may be like this. Again it can come, again it can go, again it can come, again it can go, and eventually it will touch this supply zone. In between anything can happen. Okay, it's not like from here directly it will go here. Nah, it may take such kind of movements which you can see over like this. See, right now I will tell you the supply zone of this. Okay, this is the supply zone of the market, the previous supply zone, not right now current. I'm just showing you how it travels. This is the previous supply zone of the market. Previous, I will drag it. Okay, this is the previous supply zone. Similarly, I did exactly the same thing. Wherever I see extreme sell, previous to that candle, this is a previous candle, I made a zone at that candle. This becomes my what? Supply zone. Okay, so from supply zone, market will always travel where? Demand zone. And from demand zone, market will always travel where? Supply zone. I will show you how it traveled. Because like I want to explain you, it won't travel in one leg. It's not a simple like from one station to another. Nah. He may take several stations in between. Several. Let me delete it and I will explain you. Can you see exactly that supply zone? Market started falling, right? This is the power of supply zone and demand zone. Without even knowing, right now market is not over here, but I know this for very sure that once the market will come to supply zone, it will fall from there. I know this because that is what supply zone does and demand zone does. This was the previous supply zone. Can you see exactly from that zone market started falling again? Okay, so it's very important for you to understand supply zone, demand zone. Yeah, so start. Let's see how the market started. Okay, the journey, it started, came back again, started, fall down but not that much, again went up, again traveling. Look at that traveling. It is not just the normal traveling. Till here market was making higher high, higher low, which means uptrend. From now extreme selling came, now sell happened. Again market went where? Demand zone. Did it touched the supply zone till now point? No. This was touched? No, not touched. But still, again, market needed some demand. Market strength got lost. Again, it came. From here, again, the journey got started. Journey started again, started, and it completed, fulfilled its journey over here. That's my profit. I entered at a demand zone and I exited at a supply zone. That's my profit. And you feel like this is already here, but I plotted the supply zone which is here and this demand zone which is here. How many entries I got? I got this entry and my target over here achieved. I got a very good amount of profit from the market and I got exit. Now again the same scenario is happening over here. Can we see from the demand zone? This was a demand zone. From that demand zone, an extreme buying has came. This was a rejection. Can you see that rejection? A bottom rejection, a very extreme bottom rejection. Yeah, I want to explain you one more concept, but do you understand liquidity? What is liquidity? Anybody in the comment section, do you understand what is liquidity? What do you understand by liquidity? How to find the liquidity? Why market traps a liquidity? You might have heard this a lot of time. The market does a liquidity trap where we lose our money a lot. Do you understand what is a liquidity trap? Anybody in the comment section? Do you understand by what do you mean by liquidity trap? Because it's the first day of yours. I don't want to give you that big of, like, everything at one plate is not a good thing. Everything in one plate is very bad. So it's basically, let's not let me, I won't explain you liquidity concept right now. Okay, because it's a concept of the market. No, I get it. Just remember this thing. This very long upper wick. A candle has four components. Okay, this is the body, upper wick, lower wick, open, close. If it's a green candle, open will be below, close will be above, representing market price going up. And red candle will represent same, upper wick, lower wick. Open will be above, close will be below, representing the sell. Green represents buy, red represents sell. Market opening at price, let's say 50, closed at 100. Price increased, buying happened. Market opened at 50, came to 20. Market price value decreased, sell happened. And this lower wick is called low, higher wick is called H, high of that candle. H, H and low. So this is the low of this candle and it is very big, very big. Supply zone, the margin go down, sell it. Yes, if it is tapped. Okay, if market comes here, taps to the supply zone, go for sell. Okay, if market comes to the if market comes to the demand zone, wait to see a big candle first. Okay, because not all the time there will be demand. Sometimes there won't be demand as well, like what happened over here. Okay, this was the demand zone, but did market took a rejection over here? No, it went down for the previous demand zone. This was a previous demand zone, market went and it grabbed it over here. Okay, so always whenever the market tap to that zone, do not enter. Wait for some, and like wait for some pullbacks, like from where a buying starts to happen, then enter the market. You can ask me. Okay, got it. Garis. Cool. So, Lulu 66 Luna, welcome on the live stream. Mr. Lucifer, damn, devil entered on the live stream. Lucifer, the devil himself. Yes. Hello, users. I am. I am answering every of the comments. Okay. Again, every 10 minutes, I'll repeat the one sentence. If you are a new user and you haven't done a deposit till now, click on the deposit option, deposit, and wait for me to give you entries, that is, give you trades, and that point you trade, and you will earn a very good amount of profit. Okay. So if you haven't done it, tap on that deposit option. Tap. Now, as we can see in the market right now, for the BTC I'm talking about, as we can see in the BTC market right now, we have spotted supply, we have spotted demand. Done. Our job is done over here. Now what we have to do is, we have to wait for market to give us an entry signal. What is an entry signal? Entry signal means a very big green candle. Like it is about to be happening. It is 4 hour. Okay. Okay. Let's go in 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Okay. So even right now, market, like, see, this was a very, is it is your exchange? Yeah, this is Yash Pawar's exchange. This is called as yashpawar.com. No, brother, this is zbit.com. Okay, this is zbit's exchange. Yes, my exchange, like not my, like I work over here. Okay, so I wish if it's my exchange, but this is not. It is like cbit.com. It's a crypto exchange platform, one of the best beginner friendly app. Okay. Hmm. Hello, Lucifer. Welcome to the live stream. My name is Yash Pawar, by the way. Okay. So, so as we have spotted the supply zone of the market, but still market is making the structure of what? Structure of higher, lower low, lower high. Okay, a downtrend structure representing market is falling more down. Got it? Okay, so this is representing, again, it is not making higher high, higher low. This is not like this, it is like this. So it is still representing a downtrend. So our buying opportunity is yet to come, yet to come. Buying opportunities yet to come. We'll wait for an proper buying opportunity. Till right now point, I feel, if you want to enter, if you want me to give you trade for BTC, I can give you trade for sell side. Sell side, why? See, this was high, and but the low was very low. Like I don't want to consider that as a low. This was low. This was the high market made, which is low than the high, that is lower high. And then market went down, which is lower than the low, which makes lower low. Okay, from here, market will do what? Obviously, it will make another lower high, and it will try to go more down. Now, when it will go more down, understand this one thing, in a structure, when we are dealing with structure, like higher high or lower low, in the buy, always enter at lower lows, always enter at lower lows. This is your entry point, low, lower low, lower low for buy. And if the structure is lower low, lower high, a downtrend structure, always enter at lower high for sell. Always enter here, here, or here. Never enter here. This is not an entry point. This is the entry point. This is the entry point. Got it? So we will wait for the market, because market needs patience. Okay, you need to have patience. Other than, what's the point if you don't have patience for you to have a lot of money? So what we're gonna do is, market made lower high already. We'll make to see another lower high. From this point, we will again go for a entry point, which we will enter for sell over here, and this will be my target. A very quick, what kind of movement? Like, assuming very quick, 2.3% of market movement we can achieve. 2.3% of market movement we can achieve very easily. Okay, but for that, let the market come till this movement. From then and then only we will come for the sell side. Okay, this is how you can find your entry points in the market. This is exactly, welcome user 942648, welcome to the live stream of the Zbit platform. My name is Yash Pawar, and I am over here to give you live trades. I am over here to solve any of your query. Like, if you don't understand anything in the Zbit, you are facing difficulty with withdrawals, deposit, xyz, or you are facing any transaction things as well. Event. Okay, our supply zone. I want to know the signal once. It's a buy, but it's a buy signal, but there is a but that the structure is already all, like, its structure is still in lower low, lower high situations. Supply zone, demand zone. Okay, where is it? LL. This is not 1 1. It's LL. Okay, lower low. We'll wait for lower high, and from that lower high we'll enter for the sell trade. Okay, so let's wait for that moment. Till that point, we can go and check out some different coins as well, like Ethereum. Let's go check out Ethereum. What is this? See, this was my previous plot everything. Okay, users, this is my previous plotted everything. The day, the 4-hour fair value gap, the demand zone, the fair value gap. This is not respected. Okay, this is not respected. Just let this. And the all-time high. You can clearly see from exactly that moment. Demand again, then again, full fall. Got it? This is how you need to plot your market. This is how your market will look like, so that you can find your perfect buy entries, perfect sell entries. And if you cannot find the perfect buy entry, sell entry, then this live stream is regarding for that itself. Okay, I'll be taking 15-minute break. I'll be back. Bye bye. I need to break. Okay, let's get started with the session. Half session is remaining. Let me find some trades for all of you people so that I can give you trades. This was the previous to previous thing, so let's not focus on the previous situations right now. Let's focus on what we can do right now. Okay, this is right now. Supply as one of the market at right now. Okay, from here we can travel. Wait a second, wait a till there. Well, daytime. This one will start. Start of it. अगर multiple supply that is totally fine. 4 hour. Let's just From there, we are about to rise. About to rise. Didn't rise, but yes, about to rise. There is one fair value gap at this point, but let me just see it in the one. Even if we don't have. See, in the 4 hour time frame, we have this fair value gap over here. This is that fair value gap, which is for the red side. Okay, a red side fair value gap we can spot. From there, our market has taken one jump. Our market has taken one jump from here. Okay, it is traveling right now. The like I really believe that it can stop at this point. This can be the point where it will go and it will try to have a little rejection, a very little minor, because we are already at a demand zone. Okay, so from the demand zone, if the market is trying to go up, obviously it is having a like extra demand, like people are trying to buy because we are at a demand zone, and we have buff FVG at here for the sell side, red, which means for the sell side we are having a FVG. Market may travel to that point, and from there we can fall down. So I just want to be very sure about it. Okay, that level is what? Let's put horizontal line exactly at that. This level is 388.3.17. 388.17. See that thing in the one. There are high chances of consolidation as well. Okay. Even the consolidation chances is high over here as the market is trying to make a sideways to sideways, which is a consolidation phase which goes in the sideways of the market. I want to go for a buy situation till this point. Buy situation I want to do, but as we are also in a consolidation phase which can go like sideways, 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 sideways. Now till when, till where we can have this sideways market, that we cannot judge. If, for example, why I am feeling a little bit like, and why you should think in that way. See, if you want, if I enter for the buy position, because I know definitely for very sure that market will tap into this fair value gap. Market will tap into this FEG, fair value gap, and it will have a little minor rejection from there. But at the same point, at a very same point, we are having a sideways market over. Can you see this zone? It is making the market, initial start of the sideways market is also there. So if I enter for the buy position over here, from this point up, the market goes for a little sell side to be in a sideways market. This is sideways. To be in a sideways market, then my this buy position will go wrong. Either I can wait for the market to pull down a little bit to this point of the sideways market, and that is a point where I should go for the buy. And my target either can be this first initial thing or can be the next, which is the fair value. Okay, market directly going to that fair value gap is very like dicey moment situation. Like, can it break this level? Can it break this level? Can it break this level? We are already in the start of, like, every time whenever, like, you have observed this in the market, whenever market makes a very huge sudden downfall or huge sudden up movement, from there will be a little sideways or there will be a little sideways, which is happening right now. Market came down and now market trying to make a sideways, which we can observe in a lot of places. See, sudden downfall, sideways market. Okay, and up movement, sideways market. Again an up movement, sideways market. That's why whenever market makes some movement in the market, they tend to go for a sideways for a while. Now this can be that sideways which I don't want to enter at, because if I enter for the buy situation over here, putting you at the limit, see, take profit will be that basically 388 3.17. That can be a take profit, but at the same point, if we ignore the sideways market, then we will be having a loss over here. If I enter at this point, and from there, as the sideways market is going on, if it market falls down to same point again, from there it will go up. This is a very good buy entry for me than this. Understanding my point? Are you understanding my point? Like if we go for buy situation over here, it will be a little difficult for us. But at the same point, I am having a double bottom scenario. But this double bottom is just in 1 hour. Is it in 2 hours as well? It is in 2 hours as well. Is it in 4 hours? In 4 hours, there is no double bottom. It's just one candle going up in 4 hours. Let's observe the market a little while. We'll see what we can have, because taking an random decision will always lead to your loss. Don't take any random decisions in the market. Never. Never take a random decisions in the market. We are testing this line, testing this line. Will it cross this line? Will it didn't don't cross this line? Because that's the start of the, if we see W pattern over here as the neckline of the W pattern, we can go from buy side over here. But why there was a major sell-off in the market? BTC, Ethereum, Doge prices are crashing today, sparking the bearish sentiment in the market followed by the US President Donald Trump move. Huh. Which has significated fear of the full-blown trade war with China. China. Why Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin prices are crashing out? The Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin prices are down today. According to the coin market data, flagship crypto has dropped to the low at was recorded at all-time high, whipping out the early October gain that lead to a new all-time high above 126. Ethereum dropped to as the now low as 3,400, while the Dogecoin broke the below the psychology of zero point 0.2 level and fell into 0.11, whatever. There is massive crash of the Bitcoin followed by the Trump Truth Social post, which is announced that US will impose 100%, 100% tariff on China. 100% tariff is like you buy something and that's the double cost you have to give it in the trade. So that's welcome user 346415. Welcome to the live stream of the Zibit platform. Thank you so much for joining in. Right now, I am observing the key levels. Where is it? Observing the key level of the market of what we should do, because right now after an initial, whenever market makes a very big movement, it always tends to go for sideways. So I don't want to enter at a sideways market. I want to observe the market if it gives us some big movement or it doesn't. Okay, so that's what I'm observing right now. We'll see. And in the Bitcoin, it is like market is making a downtrend structure, making lower low, lower highs. So we'll keep on observing the market for a little while and find our best entry point. Okay, Ethereum. Ethereum is also making a chart pattern of a double bottom. This is called as double bottom chart pattern, which is look like W, like this. This is the neckline which we always enter, and this is the profit which we always gain. So I'm also in the hope of that. This is why I plotted the neckline. This is the neckline, and this is the double bottom. We will observe the market crosses this movement and with a very good momentum as well. Okay, then we will enter at the buy side for the Ethereum. But also the sideways market is one of that thing which may can happen. But I'm hearing what happened in the trade war, why there was epic crash of the market, a very good growth a market gave in a starting point, and from that epic very good growth there is a downfall because USA has imposed 100% tariff on the China. Okay, over and above any tariff they are currently paying starting at November 11. He added that they will impose export control on any and all the crucial software from the China starting on November 1. Noted that Trump had earlier in the day threatened to massively increase tariff on the China, while stating that the country was becoming hostile. This initial threat caused the Bitcoin to sharply go below 120 and blah blah. Ethereum, Dogecoin file prices. Bitcoin was trading around blah 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 blah. The Trump announced a 100% tariff on China, which sent the crypto market into the spiral. BTC for the decline, Ethereum Dogecoin were low. Meanwhile, this massive decline for the crypto asset contributed a large liquidation event in the crypto history. CoinGlass data show that 20 billion was wiped out from the crypto market in the last 20 billion. That's a huge amount. Driven by the crash in the Bitcoin, Ethereum, the Dogecoin price. This liquidation event was the larger than the COVID-19 crash and FTX bankruptcy crash. Exchange may contribute to the crash. BitMEX co-founder Arthur have suggested the crypto may have contributed to the crash of the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin in the price of X. He stated that the world on the blah blah. Okay, it's not. But this is the same guy who said let's go 130, 135, 140, 150. That's the same guy who said those things. And now the same guy saying, yeah, the crash was expected. We expected the crash and blah blah blah. So never like See, news helps you in gaining the knowledge regarding what we can expect in the market, but not blindly trust the news. Okay, news sometimes gives you a very those situation like what if XYZ this thing, it can skyrocket, it can go 150 200 and blah blah level, and then you can see the next time when you think and you buy at this situation, very huge sell off comes in the market. Ethereum should removed with the upside. Bitcoin cash 9%, 19 billion in liquidation. How to use AI to spot a well movement before the crowd. AI can process a massive on-chain data set instantly. Flagship transaction that processes surpasses the predefined threshold. Connecting to the blockchain API allows the real-time monitoring of the high-value transaction to create a personalized wheel feed. Clustering algorithm group wallet by behavior pattern, highlighting the question, blah 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 blah. Just give me the signals like what. Okay. Sign a blockchain API, for non-generated API, to query, implement and store something. Welcome user 260258. Welcome to the live stream of the zbit.com. Welcome user 1333533. You left as well. Welcome on the live stream. I am analyzing the market right now. There is no trade right now in the market, but we will see if we can look at some. But till now point there is no trade. That I can say for very very sure. It's not day fair value. Who said this is a day? This is a day fair value. Previous supply zone, the new supply zone. You demand zone. Okay, supply zone, demand zone. Simple. Hello, user Luna and LUNHHH user 10362. Welcome to the live stream of the crypto exchange platform, which is our zbit.com. I'm finding you a trade. I will find a trade for all of you people and I will give the trade to you. Welcome user 6260258288246. Welcome all the people. If you haven't deposited till now, click on the deposit option and get your deposit done. Okay, because I will give you a trade in little time. The deposit takes 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes. So till that point, click on the deposit option and deposit your money. And then when I give you a trade, click on the trade, take a trade option, and then you can take a trade. Okay, so for all the new users over here, you have to make sure that you are clicking on the deposit option and depositing the amount. You okay? Welcome user 13745. Welcome to the live stream. Welcome Lucifer as well. If you haven't done deposit till now, please make sure that you are clicking on the deposit option and then you are doing the deposit, because that is the most initial thing, that is the most important thing which you need to do is deposit. I am finding a trade, cannot find it. After every heavy movement, whenever market makes a very heavy movement in the either in the upside, either in the downside, then sideways market starts. Okay, so right now we are facing that one same zone itself, like we are at a sideways market where market is not having any momentum. This is just sideways, sideways, sideways. We cannot be sure of what kind of sideways market we should expect. But as per the trend line, let's see the trend line. What trend line gives us? If we go by the trend line trading, if we go by the trend line trading right now, we can go for a sell side and we can see the market may can come down to this point. What do you think? Shall we enter? But we again, it is a risky thing because we are at a demand zone of the market. From where, like this is that point from buyer can enter at whatever situation. We can never know like this is the point where buyer enter. They will enter in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 100 minutes. No, we cannot know. We are at a demand zone of the market. This is the demand zone of the market from where a heavy demand comes. Can you see this? A heavy demand come upside, heavy demand come upside until here it went. So this is that zone where the buying situation will happen. A buying market can travel from here to the supply zone. That is for very, very sure. But there is a huge but. But I can see things over here. But how shall I verify this? That these two things are my things. How shall I verify it? These are my things. I'll verify later. Everywhere you can see is a sideways market. Sideways, sideways. Everywhere there is a sideways market. XRP is having an up growth. This is higher high, higher low situation going on over here. Market will travel to the oh, this is that downfall which I told you that there will be a downfall in the market. Ah, see, I was telling you this one thing in the market. Let's go in the day time frame. See, this is that day time frame. I told you this is a descending triangle chart pattern. From there, we will have a breakout for the downside. See, that's the breakout which we had for the downside. It came down to the demand zone. Exactly at the demand zone it came. So it fall on more below demand zone, but yes, till here it fall down. But that was the breakout which I was telling you, descending triangle chart pattern. If I show you, descend, see, this is what descending triangle chart pattern looks like. Descending triangle, it will do, and it will give you a breakout downside. And we saw and that breakout, which I told you at least, let's say maybe I'm telling you this is since 1 to 2 weeks. It has been 1 to 2 weeks that I'm telling you that there is a opportunity, a very good sell opportunity for the XRP, and we will see this from the descending triangle part pattern. And once this line, this trend line is broke, we will get a very good momentum in the down. Very good momentum in the down we can expect in the market from this situation. That's exactly what happened in the market of XRP. The initial was like this is what the distance. The safe target was of 18.04 safe target. And the safe target is 18.04. Can you see? Safe target. I also told you that the safe target will be 18.04. The distance between the R1 come down to the S1, 18.35. That is the exact target which you can get from your entry and drag it down to 18.45. See, this is your target. Till that moment, you got your good amount of selling thing. I hope people have entered and people have observed that what I was telling you in XRP, that this thing is gonna happen. I should start trading. FPG. Fair value gaps are basically the limit order which are placed at the point, like from where the rejection can happen. Like this. Okay. So I'm thinking of entering into the, this is the point where I feel that our these next higher low can be formed from this point. This is the point where I want to give my entry point. Okay, I will wait for the market to give me an entry point over here. I will go for a long position, and simply I want to keep it my target the fair value gap, nothing other than that. And I want to have my profit target like this. Okay, 1:2 risk reward ratio we can achieve from over here. Entry we will do it from this point because that is where I feel that market can come down, and from there the rejection can happen. Okay, so this is the point where we will enter in the market. This is the entry point, because XRP showing a very greater sign of uptrend, which is basically the market structure of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, so we'll look into that situation and we will make sure that our target will be get achieved. What is our target? 2.58, 2.5480. TP is 2.58480. That's the TP, take profit. Okay, TP is here. Your entry is from this range. Let the market come down. Obviously, it will come down till that moment. And from that point itself, we will go for the buy entry. Not before that. From that moment itself, we'll go for the buy entry. Hmm. Okay, let's quickly go and check the other. See, it has taken rejection. That's what I was saying. It has taken a rejection like this. It will continue to be a sideways market. It will not give us a momentum. It will continue to be a sideways market. Even this till now, it has not made the lower high which I want over here, this lower high over here. And then we go for a sell side for the target will be our this previous lower low. On hype coin, I've entered for the sell side because according to whatever the market is showing us a downtrend, this is the lower high of the market. I'm aiming for the lower low of the market. Let's see. Let's keep on watching the market for the downside. Hype market, hype USDT perpetual contract. 3.18 USDT we are achieved till now. We will aim for more because this is the downfall which we will receive from the market for sure. 1.1 USDT. What happened to the XRP? Is XRP coming to our point? Just 1 minute is left for the XRP to make any movement that side. No target, no entry in XRP. One point one seven one. Welcome user 800114. I'm trying to find entry. See, XR, this hype USDT you can enter if you want to, but I won't give you promises on this trade. XRP, this trade I can give promises for, but our entry point should be this. This should be our entry point, and our take profit will be here because XRP is showing an uptrend situation, which is making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay. Hype USDT I have entered because of the same situation in opposite way. In hype USDT, what we are seeing is the market is making a downtrend situation. And this is that retracement where we should enter. This is that lower high situation. I told you whenever market makes lower high situation, that's the point we enter for the sell side. That's why I've entered over here for the sell side. If you want to enter in hype USDT for sell side, you can enter. But I told like yeah, you can enter. But the main entry over mine, which is like a promisable entry, is this, the XRP. But I'm waiting for that point to happen. I have already given you take profit, but entry should be done from here only. Okay, entry should be done from this point itself. If you don't, and if you enter over here, then you might have lost. See, right now it's traveling down. Let it travel down. Ah, it's gone. Welcome again, user 800114. May I know if you are a new user or if you are a old user, existing user? Are you a new user? And what's your name? My name is Yash Pawar. You can ask me. Are you a new user 800114? Have you traded before? Do you trade spot? Do you trade future? What kind of trader you are? Or you are not a trader, you are just a beginner? Anything, you can speak. Hype is showing us profit. It's falling down. And there is no fair value gap in between, so that I don't even have to like, there is no chance of like retracement or something. I'm expecting a complete downfall like this in this scenario. A very good, a complete, nice downfall from the market from the hype USDT. User 80014, are you a new user? And are you comfortable with English language? Because I can speak in Hindi, मेरे को हिंदी भी आती है. Okay, तो अगर आपको हिंदी में बात करनी है, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि आप नए यूजर हो जिबिट पे, आप अभी अभी चालू की हो ट्रेडिंग, आप ट्रेडिंग करते हो नहीं करते हो, क्या करते हो, थोड़ा बताओ अपने आप के बारे में. आप स्पॉट ट्रेडिंग करते हो, फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग करते हो, या ट्रेडिंग ही नहीं करते हो, अभी जस्ट बिगनर है, अभी बस मैंने देखने के लिए खोला है कि क्या मेरा प्रॉफिट निकलता है नहीं निकलता है, कैसा होता है क्या होता है. तो थोड़ी चीजें अगर बताओ तो मैं समझा पाऊँ आपको चीजें, क्योंकि एक अगर न्यू यूजर हो तो मेरे पास एक टेक्निक, एक रिवॉर्ड है जिससे है ना 10 USDT का ट्रेड ले सकते हो अगर न्यू यूजर हो तो अगर न्यू यूजर हो तो बताओ, न्यू यूजर हो, अगर नहीं हो तो नहीं बताओ. यस एंड नो सिचुएशन है. नो है तो दो शब्द टाइप करने, NO. यस है तो तीन शब्द टाइप करने, बाई यस. ज्यादा तकलीफ थोड़ी है इसमें. हाय user 699477, welcome on this Zbit platform. Are you a new user? You are also Indian. If you are comfortable with Hindi language, then tell me. Okay, I can speak Hindi as well. I am new user. Okay, have you deposited till now? Have you used any trade? Have you taken any trade till now? You did your deposit? What's your name? Six user 699477. May I know? Because see, if you are a new user, there are one free trade in the future trade will you get worth of 10 USDT bonus. हिंदी प्लीज. हाँ श्योर. आपका नाम मेरे को बताओ तो फिर अपन कॉन्वर्सेशन करते हैं. ठीक है, मेरा नाम यश है, तो आप अपना नाम बताओ, तो फिर अपन हिंदी में कॉन्वर्सेशन चालू करते हैं. मेरे को कुछ कुछ चीजें हैं जो पूछनी है आप, क्योंकि आप नए यूजर हो. तो आप हमारे जो प्लेटफॉर्म है जीबिट प्लेटफॉर्म पे, जो अगर नए यूजर होते हैं उनको पहला जो फ्यूचर का ट्रेड होता है, फ्यूचर ट्रेड बोले तो ये, ठीक है, ये वाला जो पहला जो फ्यूचर एसेट का जो ट्रेड होता है, ये होता है फ्री. ठीक है, आपने वो यूज किया है नहीं किया है, क्योंकि वो ट्रेड के लिए हम आपको ना 10 यूएसडीटी बोनस देते हैं। जो बोनस आपको मिलता है 10 यूएसडीटी, उससे आप फ्री ट्रेड ले सकते हो 10 यूएसडी तक का। भावेश, तो भावेश आपने पहला फ्यूचर ट्रेड लिया अभी तक, फ्री वाला, फ्री, क्योंकि वो फ्री है, तो बोनस यूज किया आपने अभी तक। जीबिट हमेशा नए यूजर को पहला फ्यूचर ट्रेड फ्री ट्रेड देता है 10 यूएसडी तक का, जो बोनस होता है। आपने वो यूज किया अभी तक? नहीं, नहीं जी, अभी नहीं किया। गुड, अच्छा है। एक चीज, दो तीन चीज है ना, उसका मैं क्लैरिफाई कर देता हूँ कि वो पहली ट्रेड कैसी होगी, उससे कितना बेनिफिट मिलेगा, क्या नुकसान होगा, क्या होगा, मैं बता देता हूँ, ठीक है। अब वो है एक, ठीक है, सिर्फ एक ही ट्रेड मिलेगी फ्री, सिर्फ वन, ठीक है। एंड वो है 10 यूएसडी तक की। ओके, ऐसा नहीं सोचना कि अभी मेरे पास 10 यूएसडीटी है, मैं 5 अभी ले लेता हूं, 5 बाद में करूंगा, ऐसा नहीं होगा। जो ट्रेड लगा दी वो लगा दी। अगर मैंने 5 लगा दी, 5 में बचा के रखा हो, तो ये 5 मेरे को वापस से नहीं मिलेगी, ठीक है, ये बात ध्यान में रखना। जो भी यूज करना है एक साथ ही पूरा यूज करना है पहले ट्रेड के लिए, ठीक है। उसके बाद में अभी तुमने ट्रेड ले लिया, फॉर एग्जांपल समझो तुमने बाय का ट्रेड ले लिया, कि तुमको लगा कि अभी मार्केट ऊपर जा सकता है, तुमने बाय का ट्रेड लगा लिया। अब उस पर तुम्हारा जो भी प्रॉफिट होता है, $1, $2, 3, 4, 5, 6, जो भी प्रॉफिट होगा, वो प्रॉफिट तुम्हारा होगा वॉलेट में जमा, ठीक है। और जो वो 10 यूएसडीटी का जो बोनस है वो चले जाएगा, वो वॉलेट में जमा नहीं होगा, क्योंकि वो बोनस है। जो भी आपका प्रॉफिट रहेगा 10 के ऊपर जो भी बनाओगे, $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 जो भी बनाओगे, वो होगा आपका वॉलेट में डिपॉजिट, और जो 10 होगा वो चले जाएगा, ठीक है, ये बात ध्यान में रखना। उसके बाद में अभी अभी आप कैसे न्यू यूजर हो, न्यू यूजर के लिए मैं एक चीज बता देता हूँ। अभी मैं, मेरा नाम यश है, मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम होस्ट करता हूँ यहाँ, मैं यहाँ पे आपको ट्रेडिंग सिखाता भी हूँ, मैं लाइव ट्रेड्स भी देता हूँ, ठीक है। तो हमेशा जब भी आप आते हो 12 to 4, मतलब नहीं, आप इंडिया से हो तो आपका हो गया 1:30 से लेके 5:30, हाँ, इंडिया की टाइमिंग के हिसाब से 1:30 से लेके 1:30 पीएम, दोपहर के 1:30 से लेके शाम के 5:30 तक मैं यहाँ पे रहता हूँ लाइव स्ट्रीम पे, जिसपे मैं आपको मार्केट में क्या चालू है, मार्केट में क्या हो सकता है, ये सब चीजों के बारे में नॉलेज प्रोवाइड करता हूँ। और अगर मेरे को ट्रेड दिखती है, जैसे अभी मैंने ये वाली ट्रेड दी है हाइप यूएसडीटी पे, मेरे को ये ट्रेड दिख रही है यहाँ से यहाँ पे सेल होने वाला है, मेरे को पता है सेल होगा, तो ये ऐसी ट्रेड भी मैं आपको प्रोवाइड करता हूँ, कि जो आप बस आओ, मेरा ट्रेड कॉपी करो और अपनी इस पे अप्लाई करो, सिंपल, ये भी मैं करता हूँ, ठीक है। अब उस चीज के लिए अभी आपके पास डिपॉजिट आपने किया नहीं है अभी तक, आपने डिपॉजिट किया है अभी तक कुछ भी? भावेश, आपने अभी तक कोई डिपॉजिट किया है अभी तक, अपना खुद का पैसा, कंपनी का नहीं बोल रहा, वो बोनस छोड़ के अभी तक कुछ डिपॉजिट किया है अकाउंट में अपने? नहीं जी, ठीक है। तो अभी अभी जब मैं ऐसे ट्रेड देता हूं, मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम पे आके मैं जब ट्रेड देता हूं आप लोगों को, कि आप भी ट्रेड लो उस टाइम पे, एंड आप भी प्रॉफिट कमाओ, मैं भी प्रॉफिट कमाऊंगा, दोनों प्रॉफिट कमाएंगे, वैसा वाला, ठीक है। तो जब भी मैं ट्रेड लेता हूं तो उसके लिए आपका पास डिपॉजिट होना बहुत जरूरी है। तो अभी ये लाइव स्ट्रीम पे आपको दो ऑप्शन दिख रहे हैं, कि यहाँ पे एक होगा डिपॉजिट का ऑप्शन, और एक होगा टेक अ ट्रेड का ऑप्शन। टेक अ ट्रेड होता है कि जब मैंने ट्रेड दे दिया, तो वो टेक ट्रेड पे सेम ट्रेड आप भी ले सकते हो, सेम जैसा मैंने यहाँ पे बोला, कि यहाँ पे सेल कर दो, यहाँ से सेल चालू हो गई और यहाँ से मेरा प्रॉफिट भी चालू हो गया, ठीक है, एक ये हो गया। अब दूसरा, अगर आपके पास डिपॉजिट, आपके ट्रेड लेने के लिए पैसा ही नहीं है, तो क्या करना है, दूसरा जो ऑप्शन है यहाँ पे डिपॉजिट का, उस पर क्लिक करो और डिपॉजिट करो। एटलीस्ट स्टार्टिंग स्टार्टिंग में जब अच्छा प्रॉफिट देखना है, कि 10 से 20 हो जाए, 10 से 30 हो जाए, $10 से 20 हो जाए, $10 से 15 हो जाए, ऐसा अगर प्रॉफिट देखना है, तो मिनिमम सबसे पहले 10 यूएसडीटी जमा करो। 10 यूएसडीटी होता है अपना नौ सौ या 1000 रुपए होता है इंडिया के हिसाब से। इंडिया का जो आईएनआर रुपी है, अगर हम उसको डॉलर में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो वो होता है 1000 या 900 या 1000 ऐसा कुछ तो भी है, ठीक है। उसके हिसाब से आपको 900 या 1000 रुपए भी डिपॉजिट करो, वो डिपॉजिट मशीन पे क्लिक करो ऐसा, और उसके बाद वहां पे 1000 या फिर 900 800 जो भी आपको डिपॉजिट करना है आप वो डिपॉजिट करो। जैसे ही डिपॉजिट हो जाएगा उसके बाद 10 से 15 से 20 मिनट लगता है आपके अकाउंट में आने के लिए। वो अकाउंट में आ गया, फिर जब जब मैं आपको ट्रेड दूंगा, ये लाइव स्ट्रीम रोज रहती है, रोज, एवरी डे, मंडे ट्यूसडे फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे, फुल 5 के 5 मतलब 7 to 7 डे, ये हर दिन लाइव स्ट्रीम रहती है, हर दिन आपको ट्रेड दी जाएगी कि आप प्रॉफिट कमाओ। क्योंकि यहाँ पे कैसा होता है ना, कभी कभी नए नए यूजर आते हैं, नए नए लोग आते हैं जिसको ट्रेडिंग नहीं समझती, तो ये लाइव स्ट्रीम वो चीज होती है जहां पे आप ट्रेडिंग समझ सकते हो और ट्रेडिंग कर सकते हो, ठीक है। तो अभी आपने कोई डिपॉजिट नहीं किया है, सबसे पहले जाके वो डिपॉजिट मशीन, डिपॉजिट बटन पे क्लिक करो, लाइव स्ट्रीम का जो ऐसा है, अभी लाइव स्ट्रीम चालू है आपकी, नीचे साइड में डिपॉजिट ऑप्शन होगा, क्लिक करके डिपॉजिट करो, तब जाके ही आप ट्रेड ले पाओगे, ठीक है। बिना डिपॉजिट के आप ट्रेड नहीं ले सकते। तो पहली चीज जो करनी है वो डिपॉजिट की करनी है। फिर आके ये जो अभी मैंने ट्रेड दिया है, अभी ये मेरा ट्रेड चालू है, 15 यूएसडीटी ऑलरेडी हो चुका है। मेरा एम है कि मैं 112 यूएसडीटी पे खत्म करूँ ये ट्रेड, ये मेरा एम है। अभी तक 16 यूएसडीटी हो गया है, 16 15 चालू है, 16 15 यूएसडीटी हो गया है, यहाँ तक ये चलेगा, ठीक है। तो भावेश, सबसे पहले अपन को डिपॉजिट करना है, क्योंकि बिना डिपॉजिट के ये जो मैंने ट्रेड दिया है अभी, वो तुम लगा नहीं पाओगे अपने अकाउंट पे, क्योंकि तुम्हारे पास पैसा ही नहीं है लगाने के लिए, तो कैसा लगाओगे, राइट। तो पहले तो डिपॉजिट करो, फिर ट्रेड ले लो, सिंपल। ये लाइव स्ट्रीम पे आता हूँ फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे मंडे ट्यूसडे, 5 दिन मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम पे आता हूँ। वेनसडे थर्सडे मेरी छुट्टी होती, ठीक है। ओके, ओके भावेश, ओके। डिपॉजिट करो और ये जो मैंने ट्रेड दिया है वो ट्रेड लगा, सिंपल, सिंपल, और कुछ नहीं करना। वेलकम न्यू यूजर 62, he didn't even let me read the username, he left। बाकी भी कल मिलते हैं आपसे सर, जरूर, नो डाउट, नो इश्यूज। पर went $17.81 till now we have achieved. Like I said to you, this is how you should trade with a structure. If you can't see supply demand zone, if you can't see anything, this is a simple structure of the market, structure of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It will come over here. It is making what? First high, low, then there is lower high, lower low, lower high, and this is lower low. Market to make another lower low over here, it will obviously go and break this. So that's why this is my target. Understand? Simple structure trading. $18.51 till now. Welcome user 893764. Welcome on the live stream. My name is Yash. I am a live stream host over here. Hi. Hello. How are you? How was your day? How are you doing? Are you Indian? Are you okay with are you okay with English language? Because I can speak in Hindi as well. You are an Indian, so if you want to speak in Hindi language, just tell me. I can speak in Hindi language. मेरे को हिंदी भी आती है, ठीक है? तो अगर हिंदी लैंग्वेज में कुछ समझना है, जानना है, और आप नए यूजर हो कि पुराने हो कि क्या, प्लीज वो भी बता दो कि अभी अभी अकाउंट खोला है, कल ही अकाउंट खोला है, आज ही अकाउंट खोला है, ऐसा कुछ है तो वो भी बताओ। अगर आप न्यू यूजर हो या फिर ओल्ड यूजर हो, यूजर 893764, पहले तो नाम ही बता दो। मैंने भी बता दिया, मेरा नाम यश है। आपका नाम क्या है? यूजर 893764। क्या नाम है भैया आपका? नहीं बात करनी है तो ठीक है यार, मैं क्या ही बोलूं अगर बात ही नहीं करना चाहते। न्यू यूजर, गुड। आपने अभी तक पहली ट्रेड ली है? एक पहली ट्रेड ली है अभी तक? एक भी ट्रेड? कल ही ज्वाइन किया है, शाबाश। अभी तक पहली ट्रेड लिया है? एक भी ट्रेड? अभी तक डिपॉजिट ही किया है कोई? कुछ अमाउंट डिपॉजिट किया है अभी तक? न्यू यूजर हो, अच्छी बात है। आपने डिपॉजिट किया अभी तक कुछ? कोई भी अमाउंट, छोटा मोटा बड़ा, $1, $2, $3, कुछ डिपॉजिट किया है कुछ? कुछ भी? नहीं सर। ओके। आपने अभी तक ट्रेड ली है कोई? क्योंकि जो न्यू यूजर होते हैं, जैसे आपने कल ही ज्वाइन किया है, ठीक है, जीबिट के ना कुछ रिवॉर्ड्स होते हैं जो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। एक होता है जो आपको एक लकी स्पिन मिला होगा, आपको क्रिप्टो टोकन मिला होगा, कोई तो रैंडम सा, कोई तो एक रैंडम क्रिप्टो टोकन मिला होगा, ये तो पहला हो गया। दूसरा जो ये होता है, एक दूसरा रिवॉर्ड जो होता है जीबिट का, आपको फ्यूचर की पहली ट्रेड फ्री मिलती है। वो भी कितनी? 10 USD तक की। 10 USDT हमारा आपकी तरफ से, मतलब कंपनी की तरफ से आपको बोनस होता है, जो विड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है? उससे आप ट्रेड ले सकते हो, पहली ट्रेड फ्री। आप ट्रेड लो कोई भी कॉइन में, जैसे यहाँ पे ये अपना जीबिट का प्लेटफॉर्म, यहाँ पे ट्रेड, ये जो फ्यूचर है, पहला ऑप्शन फ्यूचर एसेट, इस पे ये कोई भी आप, जो भी आपको लग रहा है इनमें से कोई भी आप एक, जैसे हाइप यूजिटी, कहाँ गया हाइप? हाइप 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 हाइप। देखिए जैसे हाइप यूजिटी, अभी मैंने हाइप की, ये वाली, ये जो हाइप यूजिटी है, इसी की ट्रेड मैंने यहाँ पे दी हुई है, ठीक है? इसका सेल चालू है अभी। तो अगर आपने अभी तक फ्यूचर की पहली जो फ्री ट्रेड है यूज नहीं की है, जो आपको बोनस कंपनी देती है 10 USDT वाला, वो नहीं किया है, तो आप अभी ये हाइप दिख रही है, हाइप कॉइन, हाइप यूएसडीटी, इधर जाके ना सेल कर दो, सेल कर दो सीधा, कि मेरे को। और एक चीज ध्यान में रखना, वो 10 USDT एक ही बार यूज कर सकते हो, एक बार ही। ऐसा मत सोचो कि अभी मेरे पास 10 है, मैं अभी 5 कर देता हूँ, बाद का 5 मैं बाद में करता हूँ। ये बाद का 5 चली जाएगा, ये वापस नहीं आएगा 5। 10 USDT में से पूरा का पूरा लगा दो एक बार का। क्यों? क्योंकि आपका पैसा नहीं है, ये हमारा पैसा है। प्रॉफिट जो भी होगा वो पूरा आपका होगा। 10 में से जो भी प्रॉफिट आता है, $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, जो भी प्रॉफिट रहेगा, वो आपके वॉलेट में डिपॉजिट हो जाएगा डायरेक्ट। और अगर लॉस होता है, अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल समझो लॉस हो गया आपका, तो ये लॉस का पैसा आपको नहीं देना है, ये लॉस का पैसा हम भरेंगे, हमारी कंपनी भरेगी। क्योंकि हमारी तरफ से सारे जो नए यूजर है उनके लिए पहला जो ट्रेड होता है वो फ्री होता है। आप फ्री ट्रेड करो पहला ट्रेड, ठीक है? तो अभी मैंने ये हाइप यूएसडीटी का ट्रेड दिया हुआ है ऑलरेडी। तो ये जाके पहले आप ना हाइप यूएसडी में एक ट्रेड ले लो, फ्यूचर का जो पहला ट्रेड है। आपको बोनस मिला है ना, राइट? बोनस मिला है आपको, बोनस 10 यूएसडीटी का बोनस मिला है पहला। मिला है। यूजर 893764, आपको 10 यूएसडी का बोनस मिला है। तो उसको जाके पहले यूज करो, पूरा का पूरा 10 यूएसडी, क्योंकि वो एक ही बार यूज किया जा सकता है। वो टुकड़ों में यूज नहीं किया जा सकता कि पहले 5 कर लेता हूँ, बाद में 5 कर लेता हूँ, या पहले 2 कर लेता हूँ। हाँ जी, मिला था। मिला मिला था तो मतलब कर लिया यूज, लेकिन वो ऑटोमेटिकली यूज्ड हुआ था। ऑटोमेटिकली यूज्ड, ऑटोमेट जब तक आप ट्रेड लोगे नहीं तो ऑटोमेटिकली यूज कैसे होगा? मतलब आपने ट्रेड ले लिया ना, पहली फ्यूचर ट्रेड ले लिया मतलब आपने, राइट? आपने पहली फ्यूचर ट्रेड लिया होगा तब जाके ही वो यूज होगा, नहीं तो ऐसा मतलब ट्रेडिंग हो रहा था। हाँ, तो उसमें से ट्रेडिंग हो रहा था ना। अब उसका थोड़ा एक मैं लॉजिक समझा देता हूँ। ये है बोनस, असली पैसा नहीं है ये। ठीक है, ये असली और नकली के बीच का जो पैसा होता है ना, ये वो वाला पैसा है। ठीक है, तो इससे क्या होता है कि आपको मिलता है वो 10 यूनिटी बोनस, कि तुम लगाओ इस पे पैसा। ठीक है, ये एक बार मिलता है तो उसको क्या करना है कि पूरा का पूरा जो 10 है वो एक साथ ही लगा देना है। ठीक है, जो भी उससे प्रॉफिट बनता है, $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, जो भी प्रॉफिट बनता है वो जाएगा आपके अकाउंट में, वॉलेट के अंदर। और जो वो 10 है वो हो जाएगा गायब, वो नहीं दिखेगा वॉलेट में, सिर्फ प्रॉफिट दिखेगा वॉलेट में, सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रॉफिट। ठीक है, ओनली प्रॉफिट दिखेगा। और अभी तक अगर डिपॉजिट नहीं किया है, नए यूजर हो, पहला डिपॉजिट भी अभी तक नहीं किया है, तो ये लाइव स्ट्रीम पे दो ऑप्शन दिख रहे हैं, टेक अ ट्रेड और डिपॉजिट। अभी मैंने ट्रेड दे दिया लाइव स्ट्रीम पे, मैं यहाँ पे दिख रहा होगा ये स्क्रीन में, यहाँ पे स्क्रीन में मेरी ट्रेड चालू है। ठीक है, हाई पीओजीटी की, ये अपने जीबिट पे या हाई पीओजीटी पे, यहाँ जाके आपको बस सेल ऑप्शन पे ओपन शॉर्ट पे क्लिक करने का, और यहाँ पे ओपन शॉर्ट हो जाएगा। ठीक है, यहाँ से ओपन शॉर्ट हो जाएगा, पर ट्रेड के लिए क्या चाहिए? पैसा। पैसा आपके डिपॉजिट में है नहीं, पैसा आपके अकाउंट में है नहीं। तो टेक प्रॉफिट के बाजू में ही एक डिपॉजिट का ऑप्शन दिख रहा है, वो डिपॉजिट ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करो और वहां पे पैसा डिपॉजिट करो। जब पैसा डिपॉजिट हो जाएगा, 10 से 15 मिनट लगेगा, उसके बाद ट्रेड ले लो हाई पीओजीटी की जो मैंने दिया है। ओके, ओके, अभी अभी डिपॉजिट करोगे, ये ट्रेड चली जाएगी फिर बाद। जितना जल्दी डिपॉजिट करोगे उतना जल्दी ट्रेड ले पाओगे, तो जल्दी से जल्दी डिपॉजिट करो। और एटलीस्ट 10 यूएसडी तो भी करो, मतलब नहीं नहीं बोल के, जो अपना 900 हजार रुपए होता है इंडिया के हिसाब से, इंडिया का हिसाब से 900 हजार रुपए होता है, एटलीस्ट उतना डिपॉजिट करो। तब जाके अच्छा खासा, मतलब 10 यूएसडी वैसे भी कम है, बट कुछ तो शुरुआत होगी। तुम $1 या $2 डिपॉजिट करोगे तो उससे कोई कोई मतलब नहीं होगा। तो एटलीस्ट 10 यूएसडीटी डिपॉजिट करो, विच वो होता है 900 से 1000 रुपए होता है। ठीक है, यूजर 420749, आर यू ऑल्सो अ न्यू यूजर? आप भी इंडिया से दिख रहे हो मेरे को, हिंदी में बात। इफ यू आर अ साउथ इंडियन देन टेल मी, आई कैन स्पीक इन इंग्लिश एज वेल, ओके? बट अगर हिंदी समझ में आ रही है तो देन जस्ट गिव मी थम्स अप दैट यस यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग हिंदी। यूजर 420749। Ficken Asmifla. Telling alley bluebirds, the billing bluebirds. This real song gets stuck in the head. I don't like when the real song gets stuck in the head. Zero, 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 zero. 17. Going slow, slow and steady will win the race. This will touch here, and that's my promise to all of you people. It might, like, see, it's not like it will come like straight. It might come like this, but it will come. 16.315. Okay. 15, 16, 15, 16 is roaming, but we will have the deposit. वॉलेट में ट्रस्ट वॉलेट यूज कर सकते हैं? हाँ, कर सकते हो। किया नहीं किया अभी तक डिपॉजिट? काहे नहीं कर रहे हो डिपॉजिट? जल्दी करो डिपॉजिट। जल्दी डिपॉजिट करो, जल्दी ट्रेड लो, जल्दी पैसा कमाओ, जल्दी एंजॉय करो। यही है। जल्द से जल्द डिपॉजिट, जल्द से जल्द ट्रेड, जल्द से जल्द प्रॉफिट, जल्द से जल्द एंजॉय। तो भाई ये सब बताओ कि ये कैसे कौन से वॉलेट टू वॉलेट, तुमको वॉलेट टू वॉलेट ट्रांसफर करना है क्या? लेकिन एक वॉलेट से दूसरे वॉलेट पे? 1 सेकेंड। नहीं। ओके। नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करना। आपके साथ वॉलेट अटैच्ड, ऐप के साथ। वो डिपॉजिट पे क्लिक करो ना। ऐप के साथ दूसरा वॉलेट अटैच। एक सेकेंड, एक सेकेंड, एक सेकेंड। क्रिप्टो करेंसी सब नहीं चाहिए। विड्रॉल यूएसडीटी फॉर एग्जांपल भी कोई भी ले लिया, फिर उसके बाद डिपॉजिट एड्रेस। ये देखो, ये मेरे यहाँ पे दिख रहा है क्या? देखो, यहाँ पे ये क्रिप्टो डिपॉजिट है। यहाँ पे अपन को क्या चाहिए? मेरे को यूएसडी चाहिए। मैंने एक कोई तो भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म पिक कर लिया, यहाँ पे अराइवल एस्टिमेट अराइवल टाइम ये 1 मिनट लगाता है, ये 2 मिनट लगाता है, ये 1 मिनट लगाता है। इस पे से जो भी मेरे को पसंद आ रहा है मैं वो एक प्लेटफॉर्म चूज कर लिया। उसके बाद ना ये मेरे को एक एड्रेस देता है, एक तो एक क्यूआर स्कैन करके पैसा भेजो, या फिर ये एड्रेस को उस वॉलेट में, जो आपका वॉलेट है उसमें कॉपी पेस्ट करो, और फिर उसमें जो भी अमाउंट है आपका XYZ अमाउंट वो पिक करके भेज दो। समझ गए? ये इतना ही सिंपल है। ये यहाँ पे एक नेटवर्क पिक करो जो भी है, ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है, मतलब कोई भी नेटवर्क यूज कर सकते हो आप समय के हिसाब से। एक तो ऑप्टिमिज्म करना है, ऑप्टिमिज्म कर लो। फिर ये आपको ना यहाँ पे डिपॉजिट एड्रेस दे देगा ये इसको कॉपी करके आपके वॉलेट से वहां पे कॉपी पेस्ट करके डिपॉजिट करो, XYZ जो भी अमाउंट रहेगा आपका वो अमाउंट पेस्ट कर दो, और फिर डिपॉजिट मार दो। ओके। और मेरे हिसाब से आपको 10 USDT तो भी कर लो डिपॉजिट, 10 USDT काम आएगा। कम है 10 USDT, फिर भी शुरुआत कर रहे हो इसलिए मैं 10 बोल रहा हूँ। ठीक है। क्रिप्टो विड्रॉल का भी वही सेम है, आपको जो भी करेंसी से करेंसी डिपॉजिट करना है ये सब, यहाँ पे एड्रेस आपका जो भी वॉलेट एड्रेस होगा वो वॉलेट एड्रेस पेस्ट करो, एंड बस विड्रॉल का वेट करो। सिंपल है, बहुत सिंपल है, ज्यादा कुछ नहीं करना है। क्रिप्टो डिपॉजिट, करेंसी, अपना यूएसडीटी, अपन को यूएसडीटी 73 USDT ही चाहिए, ठीक है। इसी से आप ट्रेड ले पाओगे यूएसडीटी से, इसको ही सिलेक्ट करना है। नेटवर्क जो भी एक मिल रहा है अभी, मतलब जो भी मेरे को लग रहा है कि हाँ ये कर सकता हो, वो XYZ जो भी है सिलेक्ट करो, एड्रेस कॉपी करो। विड्रॉल कितने देर में हो जाएगा सर? विड्रॉल, सी कोई भी ट्रांजैक्शन को, चाहे वो डिपॉजिट हो या विड्रॉल हो, आपको नहीं नहीं बोल के 15 से 20 से आधा घंटा लगता ही है, क्योंकि वो वेरिफिकेशन होता है। एक पहले वेरिफिकेशन होगा, यहाँ से सही में सेंड हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, वहां रिसीव हुआ नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि अपन सिर्फ एक नॉर्मल INR टू INR ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं तो वो एक ऐसा हो जाता है। अभी करेंसी एक्सचेंज से एक्सचेंज वो सारा वेरिफिकेशन प्रोसेस को टाइम लगता है, तो 15 से 20 से आधा घंटा, मैक्स आधा घंटा, उतना समय तो लगेगा ही। चाहे वो डिपॉजिट हो या फिर विड्रॉल हो, आधा एक घंटा तो लगेगा ही, आधा घंटा मैक्स। 30 मिनट्स, 30 मिनट्स इट माइट टेक टू रिसीव। अभी जीपे नहीं है ना ये कि स्कैन किया और एकदम से भेज दिया, ये थोड़ा नेटवर्क है ये ब्लॉकचेन सिस्टम में थोड़ा समय लग जाता है, थोड़ा। ½ एन आवर तक एक्सपेक्टेड है, ½ एन आवर इज एक्सपेक्टेड। हाइप यूएसडी में डिपॉजिट, जल्दी से क्लिक ऑन द डिपॉजिट, डिपॉजिट करो। हाइप यूएसडी में एंट्री लो, मैंने एंट्री दे दिया है ऑलरेडी। सर एक्चुअली मैंने ट्रेड नहीं किया है, बस चेक कर रहा था तो विड्रॉल में डाल दिया, इसकी वजह से फ्लैट डिपॉजिट क्लोज। एक सेकंड सर, एक्चुअली मैंने ट्रेड नहीं किया, बस चेक कर रहा था तो विड्रॉल में मैंने डाल दिया है, जिसकी वजह से फ्लैट डिपॉजिट क्लोज हो रहा है सर। बिना ट्रेड लिए विड्रॉल कर दिया। तो विड्रॉल क्या किया? बोनस अमाउंट किया क्या? आप नए यूजर हो क्या मिस्टर लूसीफर? आपने वो बोनस अमाउंट तो दोबारा कैसे डिपॉजिट करो? सिंपल ब्रो, ये यहाँ पे एक ही है, डिपॉजिट का एक ही तरीका है, और कोई दूसरा तरीका नहीं है। ये यहाँ पे आके एक ऑप्शन, जहां पे भी ऑप्शन दिख रहा होगा, ये मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम दिख रहा है, मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम पे डिपॉजिट ऑप्शन दिख रहा होगा, एक तो उस पर क्लिक कर दो, ऐप पे जाके यहाँ क्लिक कर दो, फिर ये क्रिप्टो डिपॉजिट पे क्लिक करो, एंड फिर ये डिपॉजिट यूएसडीटी चाहिए, कौन से नेटवर्क से करना है ये। जी सर, न्यू हूँ। न्यू है ना? तो ये मेरा लाइव स्ट्रीम दिख रहा है, उसके नीचे में दो ऑप्शन दिख रहे हैं, एक टेक अ ट्रेड होगा और एक डिपॉजिट होगा। वो डिपॉजिट पे क्लिक कर दो। डिपॉजिट क्लिक करने के बाद में यहाँ पे एक ऐसा कुछ ओपन हो जाएगा, ठीक है, ये वाला एक ऐसा इंटरफेस। उस पे ये यूएसडीटी क्लिक करना। एक कोई भी नेटवर्क यूज कर सकते हो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि यही करना है यही करना है, नहीं, सारे नेटवर्क सेफ है, सारे सिक्योर है, सारा का सारा आपका पैसा वॉलेट में डिपॉजिट कर देगा। कोई भी एक पिक करना, यहाँ पे जो वॉलेट एड्रेस है ये एड्रेस पिक करके अपने वॉलेट एड्रेस से पैसा भेजो, और जितना भी भेजना है। सर ऑप्शन ही हट गया, लाइव स्ट्रीम से हट गया कि ऐप से हट गया? अगर लाइव स्ट्रीम से हट गया है तो एक बार एग्जिट करके वापस आओ। शायद तक वापस आ जाएगा। लाइव स्ट्रीम की वहां से अगर ऑप्शन हट गया है तो फिर एक बार लाइव स्ट्रीम क्लोज। नहीं सर, चैट बंद हो रहा है। आपका यूआईडी भेजो मेरे को, अगर आपका शायद एक्स्ट्रा केस दिख रहा है मेरे को, तो आपका ना यूआईडी भेजो। यूआईडी पता है कहाँ दिखता है? ये देखो, ये ये यहाँ पे देखो, ये जो जीबिट वाला है ऐप से सर, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। ये जो ये जीबिट वाला ये दिख रहा है, यहाँ पे ये यूआईडी है। यूआईडी जो भी एक नंबर होगा, ये यूआईडी मेरे को आपका कमेंट पे बताओ, तो मैं ना कस्टमर सर्विस को आपको भेजता हूँ, और कस्टमर सर्विस आपको कांटेक्ट करेगी, एंड वो शायद तक आपका जो प्रॉब्लम है, थोड़ा बड़ा वाला प्रॉब्लम दिख रहा है, तो वो आपको अच्छे से हैंडल कर सकती है उस टाइम पे। ठीक है, तो ये यहाँ पे ये यूआईडी है ना, 14, ये वो। आपके यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है? आपके अकाउंट का जो, ये तो मेरा यूआईडी हो गया, आपके अकाउंट का यूआईडी जो होगा, अच्छा अच्छा, ओके सर, हाँ, वो यूआईडी यहाँ पे कॉपी पेस्ट कर दो। कितना मतलब थोड़ा डिटेल में बता भी देना कि दिक्कत क्या हुई थी। यूआईडी भेज दिया, ठीक है। अब इसमें दिक्कत क्या है वो भी मेरे को बता दो। आपने अभी तक कोई भी ट्रेड नहीं लिया है? कोई भी ट्रेड नहीं लिया है, राइट? यू कोई दूसरा कोई क्या था ब्रो? प्रोडक्ट प्रॉब्लम, आईडी, यूआईडी है 1015407। आपका प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आपको डिपॉजिट का ऑप्शन नहीं दिख रहा है ऐप के अंदर, राइट? यही प्रॉब्लम है ना? जी सर, ट्रेड नहीं ली, विड्रॉल चेक कर रहा था तो कॉल आया जिबिट के तरफ से और फिर फ्लैट हट गया। अब दूसरे से कैसे डालूं पैसे? सर ये डोज मिला है। सर ये डोज मिला है क्या? ठीक है, ठीक, कोई बात नहीं। डोज मिला ना, उसके बाद में 19 डोज मिला है, 19 डोज मिला है। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, ये पहला क्रिप्टो करेंसी, ये फ्री है। ये तुम्हारा, तुम उसको बेचना है तुम बेच दो, उसको ट्रेड, उससे ट्रेड लेना है ट्रेड ले लो, उसको बेच के यूएसडी खरीदना यूएसडी खरीद लो, वो तुम्हारी मर्जी है। अभी वो तुमको मिल चुका है फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट में, ठीक है। अभी सबसे पहले काम क्या करना है? लाइव स्ट्रीम पे डिपॉजिट का ऑप्शन पे, डिपॉजिट पे ऑप्शन क्लिक करके एटलीस्ट 10 यूएसडीटी डिपॉजिट करो और ट्रेड लो, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैंने हाइप यूएसडी का ट्रेड दे चुका हूँ ऑलरेडी। ठीक है, आपने, सॉरी दोबारा से, ठीक है, ये आपने ये ट्रेड ले, अभी ट्रेड दे दिया है। जल्दी से डिपॉजिट करके ट्रेड ले लो, यूजर 893764, ठीक है। जल्दी से डिपॉजिट करके ट्रेड ले लो। यहाँ पे डिपॉजिट कहाँ करना है? ये लाइव स्ट्रीम पे यहाँ पे डिपॉजिट का ऑप्शन है, वहां पे डिपॉजिट करो। 10 यूएसडी करो तो अच्छा प्रॉफिट दिखेगा, ठीक है। दोबारा से, एक सेकेंड ना, मैं मिस्टर लूसीफर का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना चाहता हूँ पहले। जी सर, ट्रेड ली नहीं ली, विड्रॉल चेक कर रहा था, सीबीडी तरफ से कॉल आया तो फ्लैट गायब हो गया, अब दोबारा से कैसे डालूं? ठीक है, ठीक। अभी आप, मैं कस्टमर सर्विस से बात कर रहा था आपकी। अ, कि ओके, वहां से आपका जो मैंने जो प्रॉब्लम रेज किया उन्होंने कर दिया है थम्स अप। वो 5-10 मिनट में आपको कांटेक्ट कर लेगी, और आपको जो भी एक ये प्रॉब्लम हो रही है वो आपसे सॉल्व करा देगी। दिक्कत लेने की बात नहीं। ओके, ठीक है। Cut the music in the ocean to me by your lips are calling. I am gonna leave in 5 to 10 minutes. So before that, if you have deposit, just do it. Hello, Ogilite. And hello, user 1015407. 1015407. Hi, hello. My name is Yash. I'm a live stream host over here. I deal everything with the crypto trading. You want to know trading, learn it, take a trade. I've already given you a hype USD trade, everything. Okay. So, hi, my name is Yash. Are you a new user over here? Are you having a good day as a new user over here? Are you facing any difficulty in the Zbit app? Like anything, like you don't understand how to take trade and all this kind of stuff. You are not understanding this, blah, blah. I can help you with this. This is that live stream where you can know anything. This is like a beginner's guide. If you have any doubt, anything related, anything in the app, withdraw, deposit, market, don't understand, should I go for buy, should I go for sell? You don't know anything. Just come on this platform, this live stream, and you can ask it. This is for that. This is the best feature Zbit has offered. And if you haven't deposited till now, you haven't made your first deposit till now, then on the live stream platform, you will see there is a deposit option. Because in live stream, I give trades. I give you trades. So for that trade, you need a deposit. Without money, you cannot enter in the market. So I have already given you a trade of hype USDT for sell side. Okay, for sell. So if you don't have funds to deposit to take a trade, then click on that deposit option, do a deposit, and then go for take a trade option and take a trade, and then earn a profit. Simple. Go, enjoy, have fun. My lips, my lips, your lips, apocalypse. Ah, Mr. Lucifer. Mr. Lucifer's real name is I know his real name. One second, one second, one second, one second. It was here. Mr. Lucifer, I have a response from the customer service. आलम मोहम्मद फराज, आलम मोहम्मद फराज जी, आपके लिए एक ये है रिस्पॉन्स है कस्टमर सर्विस से। आपने मतलब कंपनी के कुछ रूल्स रेगुलेशंस होते हैं ना, तो उस रूल्स रेगुलेशन में जो आपने विड्रॉ किया वो सही नहीं बैठा, तो उस वजह से आपका जो फियाट का जो डिपॉजिट है वो बंद कर दिया। ठीक है, अगर बिना ट्रेड लेते हुए अगर आप फंड्स विड्रॉ करते हो तो उसे थोड़ा गलत ही माना जाता है। ये कंपनी के रूल्स रेगुलेशन होते हैं कुछ, ठीक है। तो उस हिसाब से आपका जो फियाट का जो डिपॉजिट है वो भी बंद कर दिया, वो कुछ समय के लिए बंद रहेगा। जी सर, आप पता है, पता चला। हाँ, तो आप क्रिप्टो करेंसी का डिपॉजिट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, अगर आपको क्रिप्टो करेंसी डिपॉजिट करनी है, जो यहाँ से सिंपली हो जाती है। देखो ये यहाँ पे ये अपन आए, फिर ये ऑप्शन आया, फिर ये डिपॉजिट आया, फिर ये क्रिप्टो डिपॉजिट आया, ये यहाँ पे किया, फिर ये, फिर ये, फिर ये, कोई भी एड्रेस पे अपने वॉलेट से आप ट्रांसफर कर लो या फिर ये कर सकते इजी। ठीक है, फियाट का बंद हो गया है, थोड़ा गलत 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 मुंह उठा लिया है। सर अब हो नहीं पा रहा है वो वॉलेट से। अच्छा, ये फियाट है। तो क्रिप्टो करेंसी से ही फिर डिपॉजिट करना पड़ेगा, और क्या है। यही एक सॉल्यूशन दिया है कस्टमर सर्विस, यही एक सॉल्यूशन है। ही कैन ओनली डिपॉजिट क्रिप्टो करेंसी, बस यही एक सॉल्यूशन है। ओनली क्रिप्टो करेंसी डिपॉजिट होगा, फियाट डिपॉजिट नहीं हो पाएगा। रियली सॉरी उसके लिए आलम मोहम्मद फराज जी। बट क्या कर सकते, दुनिया बड़ी। मतलब सर पूछना ये चाहता हूँ वो ओपन हो जाएगा ना फिएट ऑप्शन? नहीं, नहीं हो पाएगा वो ऑप्शन, अभी नहीं हो पाएगा। मे बी कुछ समय बाद हो जाएगा, जब हमें लगेगा कि आप जेन्युइन हो, आप कुछ यहाँ पे स्कैम वैम करने नहीं आए हो, तो तब कर देंगे। अभी फिलहाल के लिए ये हो पाना मुश्किल है, समय लगेगा उसके लिए। वो ऑप्शन, फिएट का ऑप्शन अभी ओपन नहीं होगा, सॉरी उसके लिए, बट फिएट का ऑप्शन अभी ओपन नहीं हो पाएगा। ठीक है, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, दैट्स माय टाइम, मेरा टाइम खत्म हो चुका है, मैं जा रहा हूँ अभी। बाय बाय एवरीबॉडी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम। मैं हमेशा, मैं आता हूँ फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, संडे, मंडे और ट्यूसडे, 5 दिन। ठीक है, वेनेसडे थर्सडे छुट्टी, मैं नहीं आता। ये 5 दिन हमेशा, अगर कभी भी मेरे साथ में ट्रेडिंग करनी है, कभी भी मेरे साथ में कुछ सीखना है, मार्केट के बारे में जानना है, तो कम बाय द टाइमिंग ऑफ 12 to 4, ये दुबई का टाइमिंग होता है। इंडिया की टाइमिंग के हिसाब से हो गया वो 1:30 to 5:30। ठीक है, ये इंडिया का टाइमिंग 1:30 to 5:30, दुबई टाइमिंग 12 to 4। So thank you so much for ladies and gentlemen. Okay, bye. Thanks for support. Bye bye. Thank you so much, Lucifer. So thank you so much for all the users for being connected on this platform. Thank you so much for doing the deposit and every of those things. Bye bye. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same timing, 12 to 4, or the Indian timing 1:30 to 5:30. Okay.